Odofo medase se ode wafidie na ato Adom TV. Ya wone osomfo ni tekotego ibetu anamontuo bi. Ene atifi sama medem nam ne se how to be the best version of who you are. How to be the best version of who you are. Everyone made by God has within them a potential to become great and successful. Obia otwedi ampon na ebo wo no odi bibi adua wo mu se obaye o mama na watu mpon wanya yedie nanso odi hye wo mu no nche se ebeba ne sada me ka se na no me koto mobile phone no kura me na nya adwuma isa se na chip nim ya me chip hye mu nso no se me download no ma na phone ayema se me de bibi fofo hye mu a betimi a store bibi wo mu na efe me dwira phone ho na etofo mu a ansai. I made the best use of the phone. So that's how you are also made to be. When you bo wo no odnioma bi dua wo mu ba sese wo dnioma bi kan abrabo ho asa wabrabo adimu aso ani anya nkonimdie. For most of us, through our training and conditioning, we have become our own enemies. Bebre na tete de ma yen enoma ye fam no ama ya nkasa ya no kasa na ne ye adane atamfo ya esisi ye kwan na emma kwan ma anioma nyame de dua mu no yensa betimi aka oseme dia me Ghana me de me nkrani kwa me Ghana jimi bona be ni chon kwa cho me ni me de me akani na na me de na ode se din we wa no ho na wajai anioma wo nyame de dua ne mu no so be di akiri ayo enkyere de ma wo susu ye de tu tim akwan do fa so no abe susu dua ma abrabo yes na say ba no onyankopon ebo wiye. You were made to become great, each one of us. None of us were made to be poor, ordinary or grassroots. We were all made to live as royals on this earth. By your environment, baby, your friend, baby, our background, your chi, your kurumo, your free, one at the and the life circumstances we face. And then your family free and quite a bring the no. And no, and a sick wine, Emma, your brother, a bit baby, I do ya sabi. Baby, ye tribute swing. Our world is full of opportunities and problems that needs to be solved. Very often, we exercise self-doubt. As someone ba, ye we de me hunano. Excuse. Oh, nyame na say me yes oh ya na ye. Oh, we de nyame sa no adwuma we na so ye. Too much worrying at 10 years anwi. Baby, I don't know policemen, they be no prosecute on one ho e was Supreme Court. And I wait there, made them in some fata, and I wait there. If you been come up say, na ono a bunu fia. No, I Afe adenda hono, or bedjina junabo, so a friend overthinking. These are the things that get in the way of your divine power. Self-doubt, excuses, too much worrying, being anxious, overthinking and blaming others are the things that get in the way of your divine power to create great things. Some of us have become self-destructive. We think we are victims. Yeah, dear, I'm shaming ye, my kurabi, a jebi, my uncle school, many classmates, alumni, crammente alumni, and we are so fearful in using our divine potential. Onyame bo won wa ma secondary school. Wa ma university. O se me bo se me seso. Wa ma se kolegon Ken University anake vas. O se me bo se me seso na bra. Na be sha de nyina so dominate. To dominate. To be fruitful. To be fruitful. Se obe soaba and multiply. Se wodi bi be kan wo na wasombo. These are the intents of God at creation. When you the show Muntino can say, come and dominate, be in charge, be fruitful, swaba, and ya work and multiply. Say, Onyami, a nibi be the show one con case, best adiano. Name baby, I say, antetia, atiatia, any new mabe from one, a train yamin sa, any empuna quanchi or the show muno. Ye be sound say, ye walk wada, one a chance onwia ye wa koda one a chance emre du ne ma me no fa na ma ne da ye wa koda one a chance nufo ye nom enya hode na nya ehune ene atwe je se obi a be wi asem no nyanse bi otimu a onyame de ma wo nanso atete atiatia ena menye we memfa ha wagimi wasai what they say na aka onyame nyansa de ma ona ahye na akosua de friend factual knowledge obi nkrata watintim ya your friend theories obi nyansa ne nim de ono so watintim na wo so akofa na wakan na wanya factual knowledge na wo de aka experiential knowledge enoma wa fam ina na de obu bra. That's not how we're made to live our lives. We're made with potential, yet we lack the tools and the kind of knowledge in order to improve. I think say, for the lack of knowledge, my people perish. We are not perishing because we lack factual knowledge. We are not perishing because we lack experiential knowledge. We are perishing because we lack the divine revelation knowledge.
Eda munyina se yasa mo makwa ba bi me Adom TV Badwam sonini eda se papa ni nkranhye sama de breye na yentie ni ye beboa yen kase de na ne braso se me de bro ne etodwa mu bi ya wo betini second cycle schools no won ma bie na hono mo te say ya bo prokom ya bie de mu nkyeremu no ebebra mu na fe yakwa akohwe na wo ti ni su ofri se ni shuku no enye nkoyi tie wo sempanifo ba ebra beboa wo mo eno ne nsem bi ena no pay me de bro Adom TV Badwam kase me da se wo Facebook/Adom TV so wo ho share Go TV channel no ye share 176 ena DSTV channel no ye 280 me di afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni die muti samni nchemo ankasa second semester second cycle school no SHS no won mo abia ye hwe ni mu se ne ya wo makono August bosome ne de toso aduonu num na wo da soa ewo mu enu nti Yamanu boni abapro akọ Badwam ponsem senior high school dunkwa senior high technical ye no dunkwa ono fi ni nyina wo mfimfini mantemu etwaso
here pie classrooms because classroom block na so a pie 7 classrooms and asisi ayahre enu nti no ama ye nya baby inform mu nti uncompleted building bia e wo school ho a classroom block contractor no ejaho and as I say ya de nkola na kogum enti ama ya merge some classes
ofasa akunya ni so de adesrede to mansini no edwumaku ahodo enhyan abayase all students any afoforo nyina anim se womeboa wonum ewo school ho
tum no ye benya emwa kakra na ye be put in place so that the students can move there because say see a contractor no so ba obekasi yenko
Anthony Techi Director of Education ewo Apadintra East Mansini no mo oni amani boni twetwe nkomo a wono so ade nsem bi eto nani
Ndi de na ewo yemu se ye tutu asre se ye de be report ni nyina de se bia education ye de be regional headquarters na ministries na local government municipal assembly so almost of ebe yoma from there nti ni nyina nkomra na ese ahochiraba
ya hunye
nananom ya wo mu wokukom asunafo south mansimo ewa hofumantamu se needie okọ kukom agric senior high school no a netibia no emunye akade ani ni ho nti amadisua ne adekire enya kono se de wose wonmo ye empanifo ye free Ghana Education Service national regional ne district level wo ma ba pro akọ enana fa akonya isode na district die etuja
school from in this 76 okay in particular wa ha ensured but no fi wa emema no boarding ehun edimo Gẹ́gẹ́ bí mo ṣe sọ àpáyín náà bọ́mọ̀ di esi àná ọmọ ẹ̀ máa ń lò wọ́n bí dá ní nso ẹ̀ńkọ́ ọ̀dọ́dá so ètì ẹ̀nà ìfẹ́ ọmọ bá sùn yẹn nínú ẹ̀yẹ fi ọmọ bọ̀ máa fẹ́ ẹsẹ̀ fọ́m ẹ̀nà máa dà sí di àmà ẹ̀họ́ nọ ọba gáàdẹ̀ ẹ̀wọ̀ bọ̀. Àtúndì náà sọ ọ̀pọ̀ wà náà so sukùl ọmọ ní káà.
Nana Kwesi Bosompra eya hafogo so manhene na bra mpanyimfo a wono meda Ghana Education Service ano ento abomu wodi kopie ekurum hono mo no ene wodi to nanim se basic schools ahodo e wo man mu nyina no woni nkunya any tables a eboa mu wonum suade a ne kasa yemu wo kire mu se fere pa se brini brini na no nsamtrofo ebo amane se adesuafo bi etena fom ene suade a ehu behia se mpanyinfo ebeye bibi afa ho
ube musu bi na sabi nkwalai omo butu fom kumi o beta so ahwa de ebi ho no de mesro woni hwe ba na de whole gang bia ma half ha de ne hu su akonya de ni
Ghana National Association of Teachers NAT say Ghana Education Service in Penufo Woma Pro Muhodo say nay a Ghana National Secondary School a Tamale headmaster ne head teacher and a housemaster one more and two on who kakra no wanya hwehwe mu no sa ho no Woma Pro Muhodo ka wo so omunya botre twen hwehwe video no mu ete won ho asensa na bia bibi wo ho a wo mbeye oni amane boni Kemensa ene din komoye
tools ene kika ho no ye ka say a region no mo no ni region ni hye na se regional education directorate omo no mo wo in charge of the day-to-day administration of the whole region eno ntini se BBC a omo na nke so mo bon amane omo na nke so mo bon headquarters amane se BBC Omombo headquarters amanye na headquarters a sorry actual letter see the dikane say ma headmaster na say onyina nchen na letter no sumo kochura na ma kochura letter ne kwesiada ni ebi san say GS kwesiada sumo yedwuma tambe na mu kwesiada sumo digwa GS ademu bi kwesiada dwa na de ya wunya hwehwemu who say disturbing is unfortunate. Where is your evidence for these statements? Where is your evidence? You have not investigated the thing. You are saying the thing is disturbing. You have not investigated the thing. You are saying the thing is unfortunate. Where is your evidence in saying those things? Now, region Krana is someone investigation behind farmer. And someone say idea disturbing. Your DNA is unfortunate. Where is your basis for saying those things? Now, Masa Kwako Hankini Unia Kono say, Onyananche. Dream my own tears here. Tinia Kache G and say, and the meaning hey, a kind of mofa, so the year or Eddie catch a head and so Onyananche. Ye young for bonis wo, as an young for bonis and no soon say, Ukraine the whole one. Unfound to be a cell the two. They say GS a marriage investigation. No media amani never bo and so my two and a more to. And see GS rushed in taking that decision seriously. And so in many here, GS should do the needful. My headmaster no and next time when there is a case, they should take their time.
Director General, yeah, one of the Ghana AIDS Commission, I know ye chairman, Tuahine. What you have to Ghana for any aban will be a name, Yenranuma, and one be about the Pedrian Mono. Yenya see a proper Yahoye, Ewo Mohono. Only Nipa say, I ain't come on Kayon. And the Benam so Amado Bo, ya ye bo fire, one of one sono. Bet me about form. On Adom TV, Cassie, Edin Comoy.
HIV, no. And I'm sending a yipamua, a coso or maimu. Etia won intino wodi wo hu sie ama HIV kona ye kono ayedin ye koye nimu a ne yesan ye chi nipa dodo a wo bi a esese wonya adro enom na onya pomudin na fe otumi enya kanko ewo na brabom na onya good health no ena ma yipamu ntia na ne broni friend stigma ntino emma won ko je adro no enom
anu si yepe ena facilitator oda workshop no ano Harriet Ajimai editor just say dwumadi etiri pa ene se wo mo anya HIV yade ene TB yade a omanfo to wajeje mo no etu ebetwa senti sana mo ntu wogidi se edinsu sanso pa ebeba
embuta itisiu ne se ye hwe dwumadi a yedi egu akwan mu ende aboa na yate nyijim eso efri enuano ma wonya HIV emoawa ibi ɛyɛ afi etwa mu yina nwumako yi ɛtena ase keka wonti bɔ mu ɛde nhyehyɛ gu akwan mu nwuma a ɔmo bedi
Umasua so ye John ntim fojo wode ato ahofo ne ahwefo nyina nim se yenye niema ebehye nkura ne nkran ama wo mani agye sa bribia no obesoro won kete so no adwene se wo so wo school kosua de woni Adom TV eto ankomo iso
ni was excuse bia ni wo se bad time de ne ba betre ye betre se ahofo no anfo mo man go school won so fam de kakra se wo mo ye e de sankra ne nkran they show interest in the education of their children. And so, public school, now, so go bad time, take interest in the progress of your child.
Francis Esela, where penny a would that school yano, editor Jumera Numina enim say, a bre any brano no, one more one majuma of 4 abaso said the beya, one also be free one mupimu a year Jumana boa, a majumaku no akon kind.
Azibia obia biara or dey appreciate na ebo na bado na emo abado ehu bia kakebia zama wo biara also yi already last December yema wo ayimpa ntia plot of land na ye ba mo won free
Kofi Eje ya wo bo na baso no e de nsem bi tu dwa
ka say nya no say adwuma bi a wo ye bia no o ya ye ne ye wakumam na ye adwuma na se wo ye adwuma mo bi na ofu wakumam eye ana wo ye adwuma bi a wo ye bia no wo ye ne ye a omu a obunya basobode esanse empempi na na bebe na face eye sika o odwin sika ne ade but nye bibia na esika ba wo ye adwuma den na wo ye ne ye a edipa so hu ne a waye
Ghana National Association of Teachers NAT at the course say more ding ma bino said one pension fund ne die mema bino so ho da yakura said debt exchange program no or the ne kwa kwhyemu bi wo mpene echna enti fra wo mo no kura say ye ho komode ye ne wontwachiri fisanya de so mbagi atomo oni Adom TV edi nkomoi
aban any organized labor ana say ekuo a omugina edwumayefo ane mu no omoni aban edin sawoso embrasa debt exchange program no ebetu dwa no na yenyina ejutu mu ene aban se ye pension sika no enya de a obe ne sabeka na every time ye boss hapo ewa ni yejina sapo no ye nsane ye enti se ye nsane sapo no de a ene se na tie no sa na tie ani wo mo se nyame adoma Thursday organized labor ye meeting bi ye Mayday program no ye bedi hu komo ewo ye hie mo nase ne wo mo se epona ani aban boy no se ye pension ska no ye mo bia amfa ne sanka a aban gitu mo no e wa na ejina sapo no
kenu mo ya won wadi dam e wa brabo no mu wo gon mensin mu wo ti mantem mu no wade kwakoba ma won mo sere won mo a se won nyai se ya no chacha kwa ho se srade no de ama wo mo so wo mo fa nam so tototo wo ho nya dwuma mpesika no wonya no mum sense ebia obesori afrifia betena kwa ho asresrade Adom kase etwaso
Sinema ayede mo obi aha ne ni nkoje mfi omunsem mo mu nkofiri enka se me kodaada nka na aye ka na akoye ka hunu nipa no nso a ontua ono nso anema no wanya gye ayusu deda mesro mu bebre so mu hwe so o ton a oje osika obesan koto bibiom mfaso a woso no na wodi ni nkakra
Franklin Toga Federation Chairman ewo Gwan Mensini ni mu ono nso ebo niku mani nyina akoko se wono mu a wote emontene so a wosirisiri sika no wontwe won hu emfiri hu sane se ekuo no ede nhyehyeye bebre egu akwan mu a wode ba behwe wono mana montuo nyina.
Some of us we maneuver to our own things, but a minimum show must sit in and yet and I mean to say chairman Emma people with disability. What one thing I don't encourage them to do is that say obejina kwan ho asrese ade ye mpe eye no mugase ma ye
enwachi na wonom a wonya enema ne mu mfaso ne amane boni twetwe nkomo.
First, I'm not doing anything, but it seems through this I'm proud and I like it, so that everything should be okay.
Since it's almost 3 years, this is our first concern of people with disability. We'll be tracing about our common fund today, tomorrow. I will thank the government for this time.
Members, yeah, one more. I was senior breku for companies 1 and 2. Any additional BA say, one more here was say senior breku, Nenny and Pabo Kweku Asiu, and a penny on 1 punto, so or Yenipa Bia one pray and punto, the intimo on Cassadie, Adom TV Cassie, et was so.
Yeah, question. My abate, your mother, your crop for. Oh, my, mother, crop for. Come to know Korea. Yet, my wife about a man, and she a penny on him, boy. And she a bay. I need to be proud. I don't want in the beautiful NATO. It is a reality. I need to be say as a financial. I know.
Supibonzi Suman eye panyini a wada senya breku asafo number 2 ekuo na no ode adesrede ato so afo ohwa ahemfo ensam so se womra senya breku na ahemfo nsam ntawantawa ase achede yie ewo no mkrom ho no wonhwe no meka ema wonom
project will be wire basai. On us, one sense of the injunction on that to do from court, which means it's preventing everybody from going to work on the site. And on your end, into your point, yeah, in a creating from your country, yeah, as a former 1 and 2. Yes, I'm knowing as someone of what from because as a former Yanka pots.
Nenye ampabo kwaku isiawo edeto yamani boni animu se sobo a wono de abone nyina na nyade anokure bia wo mu
ne no so na Adom TV Badwam kasia no pe na ha na brema kwan na yede ni nyina sie yeda asipi bribia wadaje a wonya editie yen ehwe yen so ebrana so se wo kwa irade mfa nkomra somdwemu na obe koso nso atimi aka yen ho wo Facebook/Adom TV yeginem omanhene kwabna santen so abeka yen ho a do bonkrata no online stories no so ayekrado Emene yamu akwaba. Bibia bokodi.
Bibia nye boko. The level of indiscipline I want mining. Teacher driver for being an adult no afano. You know, I know. I mean how I bet me any driver for being more muscle than you bet my true muscle. A hard dream. A hard dream pa because yeah is a normal a cow.
What's a mrana na ye jumo?
A cow. How driver ni nya kukudu highway no jina fifi. No load. Next to another 2 hours, no load. Now you passenger for
near fro. You know, person son who so we say we for because some of the complaints I say no man queen. So no man can get you now. Who pay kre bu abem. Bibia and the dan akwem. De bia ye struggle say ekwem mu so ne edi dwa untimi nkasa. Ekwem pa unim na do share no ku ekofo obi na nsem obeka ka kire no ekwem kra pa na niam na kra hwegu a
ekwem ne yediga
obetua
ekwem de bia ye twa street light ika enso de bia ni nyina no off no de bia ye twa de bia ye twa
nyina ka ye charges ho enso enshishem
I don't know because yeah kasi de bia da no yeah, any man yourself for them kwan na ebe kwa. Emwa yen so your contribution kaka na dey ahwe form say pam. You know, mesremo so migration your forms bi ani ho a me de minim sa aba. Mo amo text no me nye one of immigration one fan say.
On fan say say.
On fan ni pan immigration say.
Ah, so on your forms na na baba. Enti wo de
mesremo
say ya na Ghana for na ya me ani da ho.
Munya let omo say omo through online no. E bia na eno so akoye sakawa business bia.
Enti wo de me dofo. Eno ana de one nanti akọ omo office. Omo office bia
me nim what is I don't say me honestly. Me nim omo processes na kwa. Enti mesremo onya sure enkoye ana me nyini say immigration for register online. Omo so me immigration for mo pebre na mo sha say educate mesremo.
Konya sa wo da o tekra wo de unya o office bia wa borura ho ne ko bisa wo questions na wa you okay
ana mo fra no so mbetro JHS in so no
BC no
August right Mr. how for makamu susun complain say extra classes teachers na for no give me 2000 or give me 4000 or ye nim say nya ba wi ti mo nso mo hyehyɛ mo ho yie kakra na mo de mo kan nkura no kreti me ma me ne papa mo bread do ready asem kura ni de ye mo mpa ese nkwada no be sua de and the most important because 2000 or 1005 no 1000 ampa esika edimu yi pa ba wo twam to matre a esen sometimes little sacrifice the nya kasa from day one Ghana for ya kasa solution be anywhere eba igusu kasa ti mesremo momu yeni nkom mofra no calendar na nya asesa wie ti momu yeni nkom mofra no mu ntimi sua de na woni mo mo homode won so hwenim than everyday complain because unya everyday tomato everyday a pp unya ye sacrificing for one kasa or family no should not be a problem for you. Ni asra ban mu mpanyin for mat na hu se works and housing minister na ka se edan dodo bia no ye bebu agu aha na problems no wo no ye ntwi nipa so ntide bia nipa ye sa form so no edan mako if you be shocked so edan hodo 785 buildings to go down at Chado to prevent Chado prime area na
37 military for no
785 buildings.
Enye sika. Edan.
785 buildings to go. That is where the problem is.
Oh, you behwa ma akodru.
So, inti o mind ankasa ne de. Onyame anim ne, obekom na omomonim dezu. A lawyer for, brashibedwa for, central for, judge for, anim de for ne sika for na bekom na we akoda Chado na ankasa kwa. We kwahwe apabia. You can't build there. You can't. Chado na ankasa no ye kwahwe apabia. The pain is that yeah, no, omuye nimdia for ya been for ya nya sebi nyansa for no. Omu kra na flat to man. That's the problem in this country.
So nim so Oscar.
Yes.
Nti ayer so obeti.
It's when we remove 785.
Adan ko a.
Adan yo.
And when so do a story buildings, I will mansion, I am mansion.
And I catch on. Not normal say 3x4 that 2 rooms baby in a way. No, so Mr. Mo, Adaroma.
Ah, no, so you bet you compensation more.
Debbie, where the same so kwaso. Na wenu kwa no enya sure sa kugudu beba me etime because obekom no na nipa bi ni mo omugina omo dan wo no ubu emu
eno ni problem mi wa oni se bebia wakosi ni enye e de flooding beba
so iti o man ni ti Ghana chichire no
oh edin
afedi ya chichira mana boy nyina
foundation ni ye so weak and affect ya basu nyina
chichira mana boy nyina so tu
ha dwen wa wo be se wo be sesa so e bo din sa won
chichira mana boy nyina so yesremo Yesremo Madaroma, Yabana Yakikan Semisia, Nina Kika si any kama DC for the donazo, MMDC for the donazo, or Matno Motoso Dodo. So Tifak would be the Oji Kusia or Jim Poncho or Tifakusa, DC for no dona. Nano Dana, Nana Tuata. Or started to grab a crab because surprise visit. Anyway, we need baby or by the Crastel, but Nasi. But me, you want to see it was a shame. Now, one a year by Jumano from 11 o'clock assembly back. Almost to dummy.
Oh no, we are drivers now.
Debbie, son only the chief director was also do also a crowd over a driver for. After you come from Maba, real workers as more office or more Jumano. Pat Martin Quack, but Akroma the call 11 o'clock. 11 and 11. What by Juma? Unya driver. Or to damn sa ni pana basa fa na nyoma pie 2 o'clock no kofi no ye kasa Ghana nyoma nko ye no so nya akukudro o kan na aba bibia nko wo bibia nko no even the little role you dey akoto dame. So that's the problem. And I thought na me show doctor cause mpanyfo do na mo susu ntina motoso office
sa because bi o home mo serious. Wa wo kwa na obehu se dia denete report ne ba onu do e opese o catcher no o catcher but say wa wo ground so ho no ma wa so awahu ti en twen ma no produce state bia asa wo dwure gura be problem
onu kana so say exercise so am na say assemblies ni bi o kwa anya me anim ni
e ho nye
enkoyi
omo like me ma na say Ghana de bibia obi ani bio
yes
serious.
So,
it's news to be a say was central region. I don't know, say no your bomb ponsem and I say school be almost school dining so toys say no. Be 7 classrooms or keka bibisa. Na ye CB ye nwie ye contract on eja hoko. Nti e ho na say on say ya they say e ho na ye di school for na ko. ti do amusoro nsa contractor ne babaka e wo se say yi omo school for ni free sa classroom na on completed no enti e your problem na me say na is Ghana there obia wo problem obia
na baby e dunu su no e de bia ka baby a oti baby a wo free wo se how be ho na so gidi se obetimi aboa entwan asa madaroma ni wani bebre kukoso important ni nkura ase ni if kura e free mu a nipa ba ku mienu miensa enan edu betima ka ma ho na bom. So yeah, let's bring back that patriotism.
Because kwabra mo appreciate you. Obi nkunu say ade na waye no.
Kakra won so because
ebe bu abam sesi ya. Nti ni bi so mo be.
Eno nkoye no. Ensem on besa kan fa o kra no. Nkoye no. Wa so dai say omo bre. Mia me di misika ko boama mai no. O we na ne baba akokra wiye. Sika duro no de. Odna ko.
Say abambuo nsemo kwa nti no masa ode behwe ono ne busu
sembasa
ebi mo ho anko munyom beye papa but the moment I'll be starting on because na ban kura ntumi nye nti wo individual no scan wo he just had been fisa nti ama bebre no ode be hye no wanko na ode the family ene no mu tu kwa afi o mu tu kwa so your problem e yo ya
ni brani a wo ya so masa no man no kura ni kuro ni wi asana kasa aye bibia o Ghana for mesremo ano petutu tu say de bia dameka afia gya ne ma wo ho say de wo so waje bra wo dware wo ma no me megya me ma wo ho eti etese nyina wo nya mfaso na mitimi nya mfaso Ghana ho eti na bibia da ye kasa say madaroma because ba kufo nko antimi empegya Ghana nsi na betinko MPP NDC omo nko antimi empegya even though won ye di tumi ni she omo sem bibia da etese ye bo omo tutimi pegya omo very important. Taxi driver for them that sujina kwa so horo car. Oba horo yi ni o ma won car nim nyina gu kwan nim. Ohuru ya main road no oja rubber ne farm milk ne nyina oja nyina bro na ya wi nyina oja nyina gu. Ba bi ohoro na ye kwa oja no wa no otu kotiti.
Tibosu me baba na kwan nim atutu.
So atiase.
Ya gina ho ahoro ade wo ho sa. Ko ta ne ntokura demu. Nam say na na kwan no mu gu so na nguru sem. Tokura timi da kwan mu na. You know. Tese wu hunu yanka obi asem. And pennyfo so ye wo your responsibility say ye na pennymu pay din sem hunu wo kwan so because twabna hu so ye penny house say say wo dwene ho ahonti ase wo dwene ho ahonti enra moto bi say me afi kumi say na ya aso mu nyine omo nkwa because ekwan ya me ye nyina ye ko say there is nowhere wo say obi fa enti ho ya me blank side
tu ni so ha de obi a no betime free abati zem na
smart enya fe enti se me dwen me
am na ya kwa se wo so de pem na enipa wo mom no be ba so attack
o se ne wakum nipa ba se mo ye mwanwa mom
ko so na
ebi dan kwa meda gibi abundant duties of ompe ebini mera ya na ya menwanwa se nipa no na de wo se ye de ma no ade ne ye mfa ma no me se sa wo awade hu ye mobo na ewuo bi atise onyi ye mfiri mu because we dai
rade jago bo je besia
efudifo o wo hin wa ba be
ko ma no no ya we nyina so buga na fo abam so mbetima ai ne ma bebre we yehu ni kon yehu na basa ana ya kekansem basa
asa wo matena case ne so atena na allowance kekere mo mfa ma no asika no nti me bisa say taxes na ya na kwan ya ji esika ji enyu de ya Ghana de asie tu ya chewo enyu
afa nam si ani aba ye ho so kakra
aba so kan kosi hwe
well ye ni so ya boka
na che say wo hene se kasa ye je han ya kasa wa kasa but masa forget on o mu fa nko hwe o mu ba kukuru du
abadu fa che ba unim de ya ne se asem to wa hu se the situation titi oko police station
radi hu ya bobo
oko hospital titi da obe sumeko
emo ya
oko hospital obe sumeko
enu am wo ho a obi afre me akora bi anya condition brofo edine de no yare ne edine de no o se diamond black fund anemia abna diamond black fund anemia and am yare be no ni tese kwabena jaya krake to na mse sika na se de be yesidi mu a ohia 15 billion ya de ne ko India sika tese oh my god This is your member.
It is more fun chair and the papers no more fun chair na.
Diamond black
the most important thing.
No. Yeah, one to say.
Yeah, boy, who
basa.
It didn't go. Papers in yeah, you are saying so much. Then I will be jurego. I can't want some. Now the danko kufuado so. You see, you set up a vaccine manufacturing plant into a cartage sword. Papers in some aircon. Wait there.
And yeah, you prisons officers now, retirement contribution.
But you say almost obi continue 15 cities and 25 cities. But a normal thing, but I'm saying how chilling normal because obi retire so pay be a jana kwan cross for ma we dey obi abenya. Me pese be yen hye. Say yen hye dia no man nya de. But obi free mu mu hwe na mu nya dia normal. We dey bibia so dey bebo. It is acquisition of mine in the compressor. Yes, I be there. Yeah, that's a medical. But watch, Sister Sandy be a guy, Professor E.K. Wallace. After interviews, I would draw you now. So that impens where they are bro. Yakwaba. The card are two of them that I say, the presidential staffer and a correspondent, Mamponde share, Abusu paying over 6 houses. A year that's a bread share back up. Or a philanthropist, I create. Ebra so dia se medica e de ebro akwasi mache
just na de na ene dan mi enu abu ana
yes
they say 8 and 6
say bia he works a housing minister
demolition bia
because mu agu awo ya agu for that say I so oh nyame adom ye ba bia e won de ensu ato ano paper ba mo ha de mo no more than we desert is send me more eastern region. Okay. And I'm Pedu no. I'm Pedu
Greater Accra baby.
Maybe I'm Pedu to the house.
Or you could vote aside because or was our share
so. Yes. Maybe on Timum dear. Oh, the bar. Oh, the bar.
Timmy much pa de bahano.
My catch is on check it because as young as he is, no. Yeah. Oh, sorry, 2 a.m. every day, and you're healthy. Maybe I'll tell you. Say, Obi, I'll party a phone, so. Oh, quite chilly, sir.
So, my catcher say, a cruma, the old can, maybe I bet.
Maybe I was a castle.
And a castle. Now, the actual so to Canada. Oh, my son, yes, oh, be a quick one. 23rd January.
Yes.
A female now named Minister for Transport.
Yes.
A interview.
Yes, a Siama. Yes.
Emma Moka Mori.
Yes.
Sea Defense once.
Yes, Sea Defense.
That's quickly. My family called Ghana News Agency.
Okay.
Where last year?
Mori Committee appeals for Sea Defense War. More Mr. Matiako Boyson, Assemblyman for Bench Electoral Area in Mori, a fishing community in the Central Region, has appealed to the government to include the town in the ongoing sea defense project along the region's coastal stretch. Okay, so the wall will therefore protect the low-lying blah, 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 blah. Yeah.
After that, a quick one, my pictures near SC Best 2 days ago, El Mori. Okay.
BBS, you all.
Last year, and we appeal. This year, 23rd January, and a transport minister Betna can't say, and Penfo to one more. Oh man, Yatna see and Shahai, I'm a sunetchi. Afa man for fear, and these are some of a man for fear. Yeah, tidal waves na saying.
If he
yes.
If you had an almost a game,
yeah, and the free commander and a day eba. And no catch you almost say, baby, a mojadi to one no say, I saw chini bois. A bay hundia maye. I saw chini bois, a bay hundia may. And see at Governor. This is the net effect. Of yebeye.
Eka almost share home.
Transport minister say, Abade she go kwemo ebeye we dia bom, and this as some can war. Badwam eso. And I'm saying last year, and I'm for tisa poti wo ka kira abai say. Side sea defense ni start air from commander Eddie Eba, a free Elmina, Eddie Eba ni nyina no. Say ya antwosu sia because you are blocking one part into pressure beba hanom.
Until what is the next step that the transport ministry is supposed to come and put this there? But the damage.
Yes, ini. Oh man. Me baba no. And yes ini. And abusia close to best 500 or 800 mine, but be on better and why you think.
One mom cries on Montreal. What a mom cries on Montreal, was he? That's another question. I'm going to pursue for Nibiana.
Debbie,
these are houses there.
Yes. And oh man, Debbie and Macassa assembly. Send yet to know my moi. Or he be twice as sim, you know. Not to question, and you'll be asem, young can an asem. Assembly bit nas young hang, Lands Commission tas young hang, Emma for Quaji as a sibi bosso. Not to question you couldn't pay any you'll be action.
Perfect.
Quatema motorway.
Perfect.
Motorway, ya demarcation, so we need a certain medium. Many pandas and sit down.
But you know, mount.
And then I'm for crossing the motorway.
Another dangerous issue on the bad crowd.
Set carbo be near Kuobia. Nipo ma kwa man di kwabra ni be si da hono no. Watrase ne wadwe wagye ni sika.
But that's what I'm saying, sir. This morning 785 buildings to go down at Chado. In assembly hoana. No, you assembly hoana.
MC ne hwe.
Ye mpanyimfo bia omo suppose
planning commission boss no ye ne hwe.
So some of these things, in as much as ye so ordin, because my attention is being drawn to the fact that any who can cross these access to such a dangerous area.
That is it. So that's and I get back you show.
But that's it. That's because
no,
a back a worrying because we need and the team a home so we know I yet to say your family be normal in this country. I was see and I need kuni pano. He say oh the works as a minister no.
Yeah.
And I say a honorable Siama.
Yeah.
Oh no ma you say eh bia na it is so mo yedru na sika semon to change in ro. Omo yo ma just say ye be move sanko for ni na na
asiafo friend meba ba me see o man until say ye be punishing pedophobia e wo esoro no mo assembly wodo ye atras ye hwan ama we asi no see ye ni say o kine ba bo
but who is punishing who?
That is it. Because MC no to one no ye no jumadi ni shede sa on the plan office o mo say because so be see dan abe panusia there should be a certain meters to be away. Eti any up and for by see defense. Said be apono entwima ekro. But say e ben say ya kakra bi sia. E be dwumu dem.
We dey that. We dey show mo picture here. And we na wa say terminal. E we dey say omo dey ani omo dey. We dey say nya. Wait. So the issue is that you are questioning we are sympathizing with Ebusia Amo go through this. But sometimes I ignore the sympathy simply because we have taken a lot of things for granted. And our leaders, and so you're irresponsible, some of them. Those who have been mandated to take charge over some of these avoidable occurrences. So sometimes we wake up and we say, why not to me, that's the challenge. We're on the we almost blame aban up and down. When you know Chino, that's the problem. When you know Chino, yeah, ni say obi nso sa ye bi di atoa so. Ye be sa ye hwe haya obi an hwe. Yeah. That's another problem.
Oh yes.
O sit down we.
As what the building permit. Difficult, cumbersome, and the process here so long to the sense say and now what you so bedi here chi copy so sabeka permit na wi a obi no sika kra obi su dan kwa so kra atwitwan
na ko e beach ni kra wasa dey several fraba okoko yempo ano na we dey hwe be gugu
o man na di hwe we dey yen ka say e wi aso bia won ye e be so no
it is only in Ghana, Accra, Cape Coast and where the beaches are no ana abeko anopemu fanche we corner people are there as this time called La Palm, Kwano, so you know, I'm matching we are here. Just go and look at what's happening over there.
No,
look at what's happening over there.
So, it is sometimes I should have been sure. And you see,
now, Krana Wako Gaga, a beginning
no out of form. Not Quabra, not more so, a woman and not more Wakwenya say, Sir Usi Diane. Ubet miaji baby a friend safety permit for now.
I was the other day boy the book mukas now fire service for crown or more but my permit to create chair for me. Now I was you go for not my bawimo. Down the outer born and I my bass.
Oh yes,
man in freeway mukas be say.
Yes. No, because no kwapa wo me say ye bi bia to che sa dan we pa de se me mo abusue si dan na ntia but wo unya kakra bi afesi de but se wo si so adwe wakasa so wo bambo enso because we you tronk wa
oh because my friends here
enfu tronk wa
na nda akwasi ase se mo ja akwasi ha ono na me ka so be ka bia ma fe de wi eche no samase gu o se ya da akwasi munim ni dia me nim se akwasi be ka bia fe de wi e akwasi na su mo agu fom na ono mo ko bare mo da na ana nibresem honestly nibresem is very painful wona asem we atom no omu di ya yen so a ye hu sa situation yen hye say nyoma bebre atochew. You know, we cannot always blame the top. When we down there, no, so no assemblies, I did to me after film. They say the TV, the radio, na ben obi, you know, na grrr, the massima be. But clearly, you are flouting a certain regulation. So we also urge the minister, sector minister, say, Nadaroma, if you sat here and said, oh yeah, the any bar, maybe it's finance, but anything apart from that, Nadaroma, we need to action this one. Say, a certain meters or radius, we have to do it. Yankate ni anyanyoma bibrea. Developing as a country and getting what we want, a bit difficult for us. Teacher niba agriculturists, philanthropists, that sibro sibos with this share back up. Or the SC. Me show me a call.
Akwaba kese me ba Adom TV so Adom TV so bedwendwuma die so dia o kensi ho sempa nsa kana no pensu ja medindi Enoch Kwasi Wolanyo Wallace agudie catch ba ko pe the only nomenclature the professor's degree in sports the Alregina Wallace the nation's presenter and mesin kunyana me kwantin kwadin small do nsa kana no penso e wo Ghana agudie ejao one expert have always told you that betting there is better than sakawa utwa no be for din be for ntim sew abusuan de Japanese siska ja kokko ejawa obetun tabiri akona ne na afa de keto akwaje kese na mu bet with money that you can afford to lose sika ira nya no eno and the twa bet je fast message do tashwi infections do gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis white vita na so dipo na chiwa on set me ka je fasi bi ebetia aboa aprapra hrawa ho amo etia di nchina che bomoden da koyeba shops ne pharmaceutical shops ne mo sabetia ka je fast wato aboa mo pomodon sem so etia to ye sedimo gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel for a pampa so kopimo na ase no baby ya di obi ani tu ase yi firi on eboa ema niam etia koye de ma ashama me market on sabetia ka bitema so enye na ho kra obetia from se wutu akoto ana se oto de ye ho no 0208219129 na on sedimo gel and roll on yen twetwe nkomo yen hwemwa ema niam entutu infama o madama o na etechira boa ema na no penso dia o kensi un sempa ensaka etimi ejao a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins with first step yen chance MFF UEFA Champions League and matches no 8 years at was no hwema Chelsea etrance ema Real Madrid etwema kamenu entiante Napoli enso ni AC Milan ebo 1-1 e o Mackenzie boni akoma hwese na Kenzie sikoso Champions League sina matches ne se ko ne dija onyame adom ne so matches ne 8 years at was be uninterrupted oko adom 106.3 FM Asempa 94.7 FM radio so no ye the live commentary ebetimi abro sabre no na Bayern Munich ne Manchester City ne hyesia kana fe Inter Milan wo ne Benfica ane dia Kensen ebetimi aboso e honom enti UEFA Champions League no memfa honkomo ensia yentinto mo Ghana diem dia Ghana Football Association hia mo ade bade nei o mata bedweku a o mo hwanim sese ku no enso betiama nkofo mo na mayen nkofo so ayen nkofo so adoye na Ghana Football Association fo panfo elanche sa charitable amno Ghana Football Association Foundation enra ana sanche so kono 8 years abaso but 32% on be supporto afofofo na fesu kofo asebenyado umu enibie na aboa momo so mabrabo so 8 years akwa wenhye so kokwa omjidi pass etime meti the international standards a omo edeboa ema oman no ana afeso international development initiative no so niama etia kwe ede amom Kurt Edwin Simon Kraku Ghana Football Association president ne nkomo a odija e wodwumedi na sinie.
Our vision is to be the best football for good association in social investment and sustainability practice. To be the best football for good association in social investment and sustainability practice. Beyond our mission, what is the mission of the GFA Foundation? Our mission is to positively impact the lives of people through the support for national and international development initiatives and goals. Hashtag GFCares. Now let me be more specific, my colleagues. What are some of our objectives? Even though we say we would care. Amongst our objectives are the following: to initiate and to support projects and programs that will improve lives and livelihood of football people and communities. To use football and its outcomes to effect behavioral change and social change advocacy. To improve the quality of lives of people through appropriate interventions in communities in Ghana and perhaps beyond. 3, to promote football values and teamwork among staff of the FA, our regional football associations, through an employee volunteer program. We call it the EVP program. And most importantly, to ensure all GFA work processes, centers, activities, projects, and programs adhere to globally acceptable or accepted sustainability concept of reducing waste, safeguarding the environment, and using natural resources respectively or responsibly. Hashtag GFA Cares. Our foundation will adopt a strategic CSR policy where the business of football aligns with social value. We are going to operate within 5 thematic or focus areas, and these areas are summarized under the acronym CARES, C-A-R-E-S. I'm sure you want to know what are the 4 or 5 focus areas. The GFA Foundation will be looking at community development, and here the focus will be on health and education. We will also be looking at providing assistance to underprivileged people and groups, and here we'll be looking at donation.
Tinese Ghana Football Association President Catherine Simon Okraku and attending cancer GFA Foundation no more lunch no or then san komo 8 2 mom chese omo bo afofrofo efe na nkasa hiamwa esin obia hwe clubs no dia ho charitable organizations ni obia na so nei efe ne se watram edeni echire be foforo ntibere se na nema besi akọ e dia massa project win so but the Emra the national under 17 team and they come under 16 the Black Satellite of Ghana na almost kopie mu ewo Serbia omode omo final game 8 times so Switzerland ko ba so mutwa Switzerland 4-3-2 enra anasake kese ni 8 esa to fema ene ukuma na se UEFA under 16 development tournament it me ba so Serbia no Ghana under 16 mrante no omo ana champions
Starlight of Ghana omo kensi omo de kopim so Serbia UEFA under 16 tournament no endra no mode ni nyina abawe a akensi twato no omo ne Switzerland de boss we ko wiase na Ghana ma mu an adinku me kamiensa ya Switzerland foi atemu mienu akensi ni nyina ahyase wabra oman Ghana ebra di kan wo kire Serbia ebo ne kai nan ya wontumi ante de toso mienu no wo kire oman kronkron Spain ebo ne kamiensa na otemu mienu a enra de twato no pinifo twa kankori to wono mu ago prama kese da ho no omo to nsare from my Ghana wo kire Switzerland eya omo ho adwuma coach Karim Zito oyi kire se goals ahodo edu ena ne mrante ne hye ya ama ahodo no so hye nan etia wo enti akensi atudwa obi man so Serbia no UEFA na 16 tournament o my kronkron Ghana ya na 17 na kire se memo mu ni mu fi hye dunson o magikuru asi o mo sere so a ye hwe ni mu se na watwe mu o matina wie mu hye mu apie kutuka ye mi ngina be na akohia won inafi ahosese na toa so e competitions ahodo bi aka no memo yi edi omo ho agim
Sergio Manucho na the under 17 for so amane bono ebija ewo eye dwumetie so but quickly answer for intimate chiri Accra Great Olympics omo bo Ghana Premier League na Ghana Premier League na 18 clubs na gina musia kensi no 18 clubs me no ka say there Accra Great Olympics omo da 17 position team say aka matches kakra bi na abo Ghana Premier League na wi na say we are anomaria na sa but ukoma na say Bernard Paddy Botwe enura ene Accra Great Olympics ebo mpunipu ewo omo so omo training grounds na nkoma epiepie mu so ebini
PM ewo la Macdown Park and Accra Great Olympics they won training so omoto efi hanom akosuga kope na eno ama mentim ho asikakra epiem omone supporters no ye ni players ni bi betwetwe nkomo e be some the feeling and answer saying eno mo ho no 8 matches to go
yeah
Olympics beat me survive
we will survive and you say it to me we will survive yeah we will survive
Bismarck could be mentioned you Jumano
oh yeah Jumano we will survive
Great Olympics will survive
we will survive
Asuga kope
we will survive
for now no mu na omunim de ntia omudi match ni ko no ba yesu aseye players no yesu yakwakobo se na yebo no Accra Sports Stadium ne bekwakobo no wono musa na ekunima ayo mu no na ya yire nwanya asa winning no.
You know, they were quite surprised and a bit disappointed because it's going to be a bit far from here, like 2 hours. So comparing it to holding the matches here, I think there will be less people to support. So in terms of that, it's quite disappointing.
Players in EWGD say Sogakope no omokono. Problem ni ho sans no mo GD pa say relegation pa the Olympics ebe relegation there ankatofia kwa. Se na team no ekono ne omo fi Accra ha no mako Sogakope no ebe yie.
Ti Accra Great Olympics and nra Bernard Paddy Botwe me wo fasini pompa okopiem ho a wone eye players bi twetwen komom chese relegation there tofia kwanya de betia ba so e de amom afa ma metenton se fufuru mu dia na president of the Ghana Tennis Federation Isaac Abuajidua enso esra ban se fisa bere ko de o manani nku agudi ahodo aka wa Ghana no omo fomani kire fa ko sa isan se fa ko aseta charges na nia be pm kran se wo mo ehwe nim se kwan bia so no supporter na edema other disciplines e fo se hu hia wa Ghana no ye fa sa support ni bi so e ma wo so
sene beye net tennis ebesen jane na so my Ghana mu ha na fa no ntoma pafira nti Ghana Tennis Federation wo mo tibre kese owura Isaac Abuajidua dodo na afa no abe kire se onene manfo pomodini bia esene be ya yagudi efefe ebetra hye na ya mansanfe nti wode adesere de ma the sports ministry se ni data budget ya wo ye de ma sports wo Ghana no wo ya mane nkoba bi faako wontra na hye mu sene be ya lesser known sports ya tennis entimu akotene no omonso anya bi de duomu dwuma.
The budget that the ministry presents no enye de bi omunye seska no so we all struggle as a apart from football other sports we all struggle let's say be a call Commonwealth Games, Africa Games are buying no a bomb Bob support it. But individual sports no, especially when we've gone for a World Cup this year, man's best call other games. So it's always a challenge. You call Commonwealth Games and it's called World Cup. So we need funding yasa. We'll do our best. I'm not government is doing the best, but it is not enough.
Na nsem we nyina owura be editudwa wa abra papa yi kopie mu e Rich Tennis Club eno wo Tantra Hill enkra ha no ho no akansie kese bi tudwa enkanesa hene edema Black Stars Steven Tonando appear woni multimedia presenter Dr. Pounds edipo mu a ne sa tennis akansie emu ayire sebenta omuri akansie boso ya na yehwe ne mu se wan na bedi nkunim akwapem se afanu mienu obi ani makan no asipa enso ko wiase na Dr. Pounds akere se
Inti tennis and out there Komoka Krano, it's we president of the Ghana Tennis Federation Isaac Abuajidua and also Eden and Komo 8 years I just said and we'll be a buying a why I said the boy a sports I would do a canosono or more share some bit media boy. We do see another was say 1x bet say betting there and 1x bet but more than that we trying to be forbidden before trying to come building Kumasa no manum. Jeffas Mr. Druth that she infections a do gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis wife vitana so deep on a kawa on said to me can a Jeffasibia a bit yamboa proper Ravano bomb waited in Chinache. Wherever shops from pharmaceutical shops must super Jeffas Mr. and no any do a bit yamboa nafi send more gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel and also call a shaman me market and sabe cabin face with temanso and yana hokra bit from so to be a cotton as a auto now they are hono 0208219129 na on a sedimo gel and roll on yan train komo we mu adama and on touch the woman and open so there we can see uns empire sakai no etimi ejao within the Enoch kwesi walanyo walasa good catch back open of of course evidence based presentation etimi ejao rade entene ma onyo kese you fi be da soni and found ko baby and so the act of being a good guest is to know to say goodbye.
Adom TV Badwam and Ocean Yada se papa good morning some Professor EK Wallace said we na de do so because apomodin community the better than kwa hia bra me fama no mu we will Piwak Natural Health Dr. Penny Nelson Motiti ewa ha 3P garlic mixture said ye juma eboa no said ne de kan ya wuti na ne watie ne ye fi said so betimi akwa abada bia na immune system na hodin ya ewo munti anyar wa bi woni padua ni mu a Piwak Natural Health enuro no de tumi aye woni padua mu no Dr. Penny ewa ha do ye ma wo achemu akwa aba
mejosumi
bibi aboko de ye de nyame ase ai Piwak Natural Health wo mo adron de ba kono a nsanchane ne kwasai
oh ye be chia Ghana fo nyina na titu ma wo hwe wo Badwam Piwak said ye no da biara da anase yetena sese ya apomdimpa dwumadie no ana ye de som Ghana fo no kwasam ni Ghana ha ye wo inu ahodopi wo ho na ene Piwak fo ye hwe kwan pa ye betimi edi abibiduro edi ado the international level ene no kwarensam no se ye kan abibiduro ya mfa nkeja na yanwa ye kan Ghana ni babibiduro a eye 100% organic drugs are and then Piwak for other Roma ye di no pay boadasa ma ebiase nyina etimi age atom internationally no 3P garlic mixture well recognized Badwam pimpim esan say edu a yam fan keja na ya no no na wu hia no wunya bebia natural Badwam wapomdin etimi ebie papa dia mawo
ene no a doctor na asema o kan de we yamfa keja nso enti se de nubra no mu nuro no ahode duro no wo mu no sa pepepe ene wachi mu ene ode aye no ensuo maye ene mutimu ma yansha no nso ene yanhwai enyarwo ahodo a Piwak Natural Health eye woni padua mu
all right in no pa ye fe no 3P garlic mixture edroi ene sedie obi bia ene wiase nyina epe edopei nhwehwemu ebinom pese working kan fa ho no ene yetimi alanche your website ba ko ye pwakenhealth.com pwakenhealth.com and this wo search now about www.pwakenhealth.com wo ha obetimi anya bibi biara efa 3P garlic mixture kwan pa yetimi extractive vitamin C nyina no ubehu na watimi akenka se bia wo maame bi wa monone wo nua ba bi wo papa bi wo bre bi a na ebia wato 3P garlic mixture ho na ebia na opese edue nka wokenkan na se wonya hu nsempa ukọ ha ye research background nyina no bibia wo ho a obetimi akenkan fa se edue ho ansa na empokura no se obeto bi kura na abo apomuden no wetimi atop and kwasem no se 3P garlic mixture edopa ye de Badwam man so ye mbotae pa no se enipa wo kọ a wo ba no ehu be hia se wapomuden pa obetimi ayeden ewie pa yetimi ede ama wo and in nipa immune system any adekase aye no ye hwe papa se emojedi nipa mafosa ne ya eboa ama immune system kura no yarewa dom biara entimi wura ho basa ebetimi di ohaw ebetimi edi abro eno so ne ye nam a ene yetimi awura ndubremu yetimi kwotwetwen vitamins minerals a eboa nipa apom titu pa ni onipa immune system won kwama wa no ye betimi abon ho ban na yarewa bia ensore nya den emfa ohaw emfa ma boso eno nti se obi wo ho a na tembia na o complain se misisi to some extent no or to say bia free misisi akọ ne nan tomo emotwetwe no esan say there's a pressure in the sciatic nerve no nti onya o pa ewo ne nan to ho Piwak say 3P garlic mixture ewo anti-inflammatory property a ebetimi abowo ama otu asenten bia etwetwen for a long time no edopay betimi abo papa ama ahoto yaresa etimi ayawodia sometimes ebia wo maame bi wo papa bi wo ho enyini nti no ene na poso no kotodwe ne honam nyina tutu no yesrese one of the unique drugs at Ghana etimi discover ye kan abibeduru a hote na ebetimi abo ebra wonu medu na wo de manage conditions no na edu no ebo wo kidney esan bo liver ama ahode ma pese wo hia no won saitimi aka eno any 3P garlic mixture Piwak for the Badwam man so Badwam pim sometimes obi wo ho ase mensa anase menan aye namp like aye titriti say or how we be ewo so na wontimi ampe solution anase one pair no to be na wonim na yare to the extent ego so na how can wodi agro bibi to say stroke yare kura no ebetimi ndi ne ho agimu south yase enti no blood circulation ne yade bi a eho hia na impempen ye ka aduru a eye papa aduru a eboa aduru betimi amma mogya na timi dia fosane won say de bia meka say ade no say eye a uto a wo behu say eye enya wo behu say enya ade a wo beko hu biom say wo hakotom na 3p garlic mixture de piwa de ye kan nyina no say ye de no kwaredie ya misuro ka che Ghana fo nyina say ye kan abibiduro a hote ya mfan keja enubranom ne ya twetwe mu nsuo naturally ye de boa apomdempa say do pay de won se kebia na wanksa wo no mu a wo behu say wo sika na wo de ato duro no wantu ngu de berada eno any 3p garlic mixture obi kura bisa say se mi wo edrobe kura menom a 3p metimi anom e de akamadu ho anam de kan say bia na mojaboso hypertension high blood pressure yi ekum nipa bebre kura mpo nim say sa yare mpo e na tete no me patcho wado biara wo a wo nom dada no me patcho fa 3p garlic mixture no e ka ho e bia na wo edona wo nom no unya resource piwak say one of the unique drugs and Ghana I discover any wiase nyina asom eye bibidu a yamfan keja na yanwa 3p garlic mixture edo pay betimi abo papa ama wo hypertension na ha wo no wo betimi da support wo dru bia wo no bia the same thing say bia onu metformin e bi kwa wo injecting insulin still now no timi say wonsa wo ha na activity ohunam fmfmfm asa obi de panie bi wo say bi diabetes nti nipa bebre wo ho a omani afra emema bebre ho de bia meka say esichiyare nti omema asam nyeden enkoye mesra say bia wonu madu ache wabre wanante upeyaresa what try bebre say no asa wunya resource bia aden nti na wonfa 3p garlic mixture no emfa nka wonu na wonu mo dada ne pesa etesen esanse edue enwama pa ewo munti piwak say so ne hwe na 3p garlic mixture de endu nyamo de brada edopo ebetimi strengthen immune system papa ama normal den etimi akoye ema ade ba ko no se oba boso me beso na ubusom yakwentu etimi awie payama eya na eye enegesam edema oba de boso me so a na ubusom yakwentu no eba eya kama pa se wodi ma mema na nye enegesam famo but ebesen kwa wotimi se why kama why obesima prekope piwak se 3p garlic mixture die sabusome no so na ema enyenyensen wafa menopause enchewo na oba etwase obu nsa na bosome so na ema na 3p garlic mixture die ahotoso ewom die ne daso die wo oba wankasa obetimi ase obo no wakasa ampa 3p garlic mixture die mensa ke du no me menses na eden etimi abapapa etimi ade amam to some extent esanse edu no eya garlic na antibiotic effect no eya na edu baby ho ya na infections kitinkiti bi eno no eya plus of the these drugs are ebra wo no ebo ma inso kitinkiti bi kura bi aba oba ebetimi egu no ebo to that extent you can't 3p garlic mixture who fast wa Ghana for ma ajatum to some extent normal man for every catch no yentimi nkane nyina wo fidie so south ase enti Ghana for man nyina 3p garlic mixture enopay na yedi ma obi bia se yense betimi akabi na yapom den etimi awie pa ede amaye obi bisa se bia enopay bia bi wo fa na etimi aboyen 3p garlic mixture misra ukoto a edro no box no na wode won safa 3p no ho se eye sa apapa na garlic mixture no enu ya hyenso dia obetimi dia hwe se obi nyeden emfa bibi boni fa enhye won sa ebia na wo wa wo hweyen for instance mumu na we enterprise opposite wa cathedral obenya 3p garlic mixture wo tamale dia na wode wona offer kojo heba opposite tamale taxi rank omenya enopay bi na etimi abo wo kumase a furniture dani heba na Colinac obenya enopay bi ho na etimi abo papa ama noma etimi akoye etimi ediama wo takwa my joy na wo wase bibido fi takra de Sir Charles wo fi kuma na crisis the answer old aponchi kakra obenya enopay bi wo ho se wo ho a Albert Sam wo ho obenya 3p garlic mixture kofodia for emfa won ntre Gapson pharmacy obenya enopay bi wo ho na etimi abo papa ebia na wo nkokọ ani ne mantem a Hillside pharmacy na say Isaac drugstore obenya enopay bi na etimi abo ebia wo akra ha na upe 3p pudo pato na odi aboma wa pomude mu nsem etimi awie peye etimi de ma odi a na odi natural angel herbal ewo okanhye obenya no pay bi wo ho na etimi abo anaso betimi afra piwak fo ewo 0248 9288 24 0248 9288 24 anase 020 100 another 0021 020 100 another 0021 answer na mekokra no obi wo ha ontimi enna so ti ase edo na dwo okotokete so a wo presa o se ne hunam nyina se obi abro no obi di bibi esisi ne hunam yes reganafo se wo obi a wontimi enna piwak se 3p garlic mixture ebe relax o ubeda ubesore ube se ahode fofo so ede aba woni pebiano ama no ma etimi akoye etimi dia ma
timedofo no na Dr. Nelson Motiti aka kire ye no 3p garlic mixture ukoto aya hwe ni ye pa se box no wodo nsafa be bia 3p no wire rough enye smooth na wahye no nso sa wono mu a nuane nuro na ewo mu no a ensuo enka ho ye mfa nkeja no ebebo ma ahoden pa on said to me aka ti dog yada say enti no na say bosu mo website ho ne hia me
wo call your website www.piwak.health piwak PIWAK and n health ni HEALTH
any caps and say ye small
yes small ni nyina ye small
okay
ni nyina ye small world enti ko ana say ubetimi afa ubetimi follow on Facebook aye Piwak natural health and I say 3p garlic mixture. Uko Instagram so 3p garlic mixture. Ubetimi follow. Na bibi biara fa 3p garlic mixture ho. Ubetimi hu edoi.
Edoi e ba ko pe 3p garlic mixture na Piwak natural health for edom e ba ko pe. Mo bia nka bibi fu fronchiro. Enu ani Dr. Nanso ne te ha ya ni di nkomo no contact no anso na wase ne different one bia ni ba bia. Nti ya so no so maye. E pe so obaji bibi.
Ya na na nse ya na ebi mu ko pharmacy ni shops na eya na obi ho se o 3p kura no oni bi south yase
one fufu bi ase
yes rese
3p ni wa ko another one no ubenya bi ho so ati o man ba bia 3p garlic mixture e wo ho dog ya na ase ya fa no ensi ha sister Sunday dey e guy o de ahosepe etwaso.
Very good morning. If you're Kokumlimle, fan of our streets, and I'm a day ebro, a Badwam, or say near Quay. Near Quay, the next year drew a Hosepe. I was a pen on say, Potoka say, no, Buniwa can say entertainment. World of entertainment, you know, near Echegu, near Safata, when ni, and was so, and no, and I'm a boabuano, at a browy. I am in Quana media chita for no edo, so Danny Boy, by now, the Waikukuno ready. Sandra Sana Akaku, my beautiful producer, director, Welbe Kofi, and Peru. Eja George dum kumase ne ba eno no ono so techi abusuafo nyina abunhyemu na sa bidin e de Sandra oheme ametiwa na ene Ghana for entertainment adwuma me nyame adum to mu chiemu a o de me ko bisa nyomo fancha no and so on that note no real quick e be ko ene ensam no so nsempi twagu na ansa na no me hye nim software watimi ay active nyame adwuma for 53 good years. Show me, I will wait. Me training in ano, me ame papa, eye me sewe kunu, eye, Pastor Martin Ampoma. Oh, momon semano Pastor Martin Ampoma, 53 years of active service in the Lord. Na ekoye na esekwasiada no ebusuya eja na chi ekwan. 53 years yese dada kwaje wa home. Ebusuya mu ni nyina ase da mo ase. Echitaafo amobedan yen. Ebusuya na mfofo. Chese emma ne de emema num. Strong boys, but me feel more strong cousins. Anderson more, or Mungina say, Yada say. And can come to where I'm a mena. Not yet the mate on Papa so teddy name, Shadan, yea, and menadi, it's no the metu to where. Just why all the same, we love you so much. It's Pastor Martin and Poma say, or the Mungina mo, I say, me and Papa, Nimpon, and no Anderson, I'm a child precon. Young go straight to birthday wishes, no. As so as a Daniel Demonian coupon say, nay. Wadin fie oh so beautiful what are me fedodo na mo bon sem eh papa obi abu dey fan sem bon fam kakra o so akoba ne say no sinitwafo kan celebrities no pina dodo na e kan sem ye hook up oh minim na so and I mean evidence but do na asem ye hook up na na ne sa ebia nipa ne hye adwuma na wo ye no akatua na efi mu no ene ebia niema akade e wo ho na ya na mo doubt kakra na no ge yi si otwi bens ni ade yesesen ye kura sesen Snapchat 500 boom na ese enu tell say no na man crofo e den edit tag no e mamu na akoba ne say akodru kuma wut ni twani me am sister Fefe Vivian Joe now ono kwa na mo di hook up tag no sister na die ye bo hook up names of hook up spank wonka ho because Vivian die she's a very hard working woman na akukuma ase kwa patase or pub bi ho so Vivian I don't have be listening anyway odi mu aya ba say oton bidie jabidie koi oton bidie na Vivian oton bidie time me hu also oton bidie you know I don't know the stats here who allege say or you hook up and all that no she's not part of it please hook up mu be in the mobile na hu hia say be but this particular lady she's a very hard working lady and they bro when her too much you know Vivian whatever ma wa be ya no am so you hook up there na work fa ho
ya no ye di kind de no be atag ye dada nti wa industry no ko ka bibisa na sa confirm the atag ye no ama wuni mi se me ye adwuma basa
sure
enche bia na mi lodi bidie kwatema na me card bidie achi from Kumasi to Tema na sa hook up no amba me pencil me nyina na se na mi hu adekra ye hook up ya time no untimi de chi obi kra wuni no na person ka se obi afre wo force se bra na wuni mi pakọ ni we dware ko
shouts to Hammer Kumase uswijina grow wijina mwacha pa brape wijina mache na sister Vivian meshawo kasa ya wadara makasama ho kase me enka as wunim obidie mesito ebuo wo ho kasama only because nanu ya world cup nanu ya tam girl bi ko kata ho zubrim bradam sa when ti kwa mpie ntwa pecha ti mesha ya kasama ho kwa ho wata say enti Vivian na eyi ensem no ano enran so so ya da sorry no obi apie se Ejako papa no. And according to Comment Readers Association, CRA4 no. Almost share eyes na say Ejako, but you know, like you. I am a mom for social and judging my real quick because it's alleged till say Ejako na kasabeba bonsen aba bejiano na papa ni chemwa na why absent e wona Badwam. Anopai me ne me boss am pedu fa work aba ha say studio no. Na me bisan say so bra kofi adenti na ya na me pi no de omo absent omo hu film omo ma no Badwam na akra ne ye a en kan ko beji din a afina na obepa cho omo ma ba bepa cho papa fo ma bepa cho nyina ye omo ma hu so mo ba na ye dear fathers me pa cho no pe wo hwe me na wa yu hu afi Badwam a ohru nhire bi nkan wadaro ma mesrew no matter what be kwa na ne ma me no issue ana ma me no sebita fache ne hu ye wahi standing kwa akola ne so show them love na ya muyim ho film school fees ana eno kwa scholarship aba eti papa na wo se ne pane ba ne Ejako no sei na okeka ne nsem bi eja wada ma bre na be pacho
yes on tias yes o siwini ho eti ono so meni ho no blame beto de ti obia so ria wo se me kwaje ko ho na se me ba no wa ye na me nkɔhwɛ ne bi a odembesi odembeyo ma me ni ayro ho na se bra me bre badi sama se fama no entin
die ne ma ne ye odin se obetimi akɔakɔhia wo
tia ne se bi ahokyere ba ne mo nyi ye kura na wie na Ejako no beyo no na mantini amfesi no ana se mankoye na yibia na ne yi a se bi wonya baabi asie no afi na me san kɔhwehwɛ na kyira pa no na me fere se afina na wanye bibi akura no afina me kɔ ne nche good of you se meni ni hia pa mpu ni mpu a tuweni a mankwan a betua fam no na betusun che se be hia se bi me dopa no no a wonso be hu se obinye sunsun bi ono me ni no kura me ni determination wa se meni hia pa me you say ya betua fam no
Eja wadaro ma eni diem o da chopa na na ma na wako straight to search nsemu na wo birikru. Eja Ejako say no kresa wo senior wadaro ma watim kwam nko ante Momodiane ni mbum ya wo say ya won tene ya nipa ni free ho no my Hobect account no matter what fa channel na ejafo me da so ginem Kofi Ampedu ne ba wo Germany eja George edum kuma stand store ne ba Kofi Ampedu Welbeck ne ba wo Germany but ano patutu ba him acha papa ne akra ne video call it doesn't mind fa ho ne distance no please akwala die they are gift from God na ma me fo no so nya nsema mututu gun kwala na so mo na mama kwala ya fa papa fo ne ho tan sa ti ebesrem e bad die ebesrem pa real quick na ye to aso abesha also Ghana News TV for ne den nsem no ebeja ne yesu enya ebie what stadium was episode ya perform and energy na very tight pan asa me na stage me ye wo so bia first and raka ko say eh I say Sunday o share na eh just some the energy no just say energy bia equals to share please alcohol cry minimum alcohol at least Bailey's J ice kakra na fra oh but I don't like that I'm nice am first Sunday say o presenter wa share na please sabi ni abe mention di bia tag no energy episode origin episode energy yo kra na original stage no muhu say me na mo de tag ye za mo so mo de tag se bra no hye episode kan ya me ni me share no party assessor valley one she one no nsakra energy anyame e de ache no se na nyame de ache me no song energy is different. Ain't pacho, mommy ain't some episode kind. What Kofi Ampedu? Ain't some episode kind, any assembly in any intimacy more. Mamma feels to be energy and share. Well, he or she was born hyper. Well, why I want a hyper? Me, met me a free, but I mean, the cry. What I say, ya woman hyper, me more January, she did piano meeting free. To me, you are man in society. I don't even bother, okay? You know your sister, you know I don't, please. It's an episode of video name, my dear, me can say the hiding. At the amount. Na George Quay, taxi, I get taxi driver, no rebate. I brand see I know Jinami. I won't see Bobby. I did my gun, jump to 4. I some no can be just say, me, I can't say valley because we have video Nigeria future. It will be the more tag Nigeria from because in Africa, no more wasoko. And yes, yet ye look alike kakra, near beef kakra. What I say? Videos or mucha. Now her video cha. See, come as some Nigeria as a fraud voice for the sponsor of Ghana. Muni money somewhere fraud what? Muni money namon support say artano. At least it can now Korea no. Would need a quack. Would the share investments be one? Obey on the back. Now, when I somebody to champion or watching who club aseno. What eh? 18 or some way lazy. George Quay Ghanaian artist. Or can someone in an ebimo? In fact, when you're being film, when you're training yard, what they are one more. Papa, may have many can ye. Or say, be more lazy. If some people are so lazy, and especially all your artists now will chasing and maybe be a quiet more. Yes, or shrub what your one. Sorry, co studio, Bonyum. Me ya be ma Kofi Mole 2 AM na boy she studio or trying way mistake no cancel no asa paper. Please be serious with your craft. Ti George Quay watch na come make sister standing na e ka me patch wadama ba George wa be bo numa eh whether George kuma say ba George be ka numa sem na mentu ansem no so sister Sandy be a guy
because that's them, they don't care. All they know is that, yeah, let's go on Twitter, let's go here, let's go and make this. But they don't care. When it is really important, Ghanaian artists never ever step up. All of them are not leaving anybody out. So what? You've got lookalikes. Oh, lookalike is an international phenomenon. It's not new. Sometimes it might even inure to their benefits, because when you become very, very, very subscribed, certain appearances, you may not be able to make it, but because of your brand affiliations, you would have to be there. Michael Jackson did it a number of times. You understand? And other artists actually do get them. In fact, when you come to the film space, it is important. That is why we have doubles and stunts and stuff like that. So yeah, it's in the film space. It is actually professional. So if you have somebody that looks just like you and can do what you do and can actually pay that person to actually step up for you, because for big stars, when they are setting up for a scene, in Ghana here, when you are setting up for a scene, they will call you, hey George, come stand here, please stand, camera frame, let's change, white balance, do that. Who are you going to do that with? Idris Elba? Yeah, Ghanaian artists, actors, musicians, comedians, all of them over the years have not shown any interest in jealously taking actions that would help defend and protect their brands. That is where we are headed. As for lookalikes, there's nothing wrong. But for a lookalike, take Robert's class blunt. And do be quiet, because that's them. They don't care.
See, George, I said about kind and no, a Ghanaian artist about time I'm moving invest on my craft name. Na IFA. Na I said now what you chair mudi. O pedi the attempt quena, ya the crown ashame. Kofone dimatem papa. Oh, because as I stand in a coffee look alike, a buy. I did attempt dear, me producer, hey, I can't put trouble for. Well, for producer very wise, you know, next one in Soka Champedu. Ain't you know, real quick, look alike a woho. A wa manoning na, omu business, a agency, a yati or muguasi. Who artists with be Bosho Atlanta, now artists no swab Bosho Dubai, no matching. It's more who business side of it. But real quick, yo boys, you supported your moyeno, but not when our artists with the same medical. Ababe Kasa, now will respond, please. We are in a very funny industry. Yabekayo, Yabako training in our Kayo, not Nebu support. Na winya na wontiasia is because medical no watwa ne deals abedru baby a wadru no wabonyo maye ye niema nti bo na we look alike na wo ba na wo so ya artist na ye support we no. I don't expect you to throw shades and insult at obi to say medical. E very wrong. They say mu jem hu bi papa mo ba me mama foto bebre e me say mo ref me mo kaka nche mo ho. Please yeta machi wa monye careful what industry very funny e bi na wo metiase bo china no obetiase me look alike if we efutu am dem am ni mo senti be na mo kai mo wate
sister Sandy be a guy
sani faso I promise on my honor send me mo show this guy me mo shabu me forbidden this guy oh we ready we sorry send me forbidden bo show this guy wa kan shaho wa kan shaho we are rough but I hope someone phobia no mo form din motion this guy yes for no we be almost say they can't pay, they can't afford it, so mo follow budget kwa mi hamper. Event organizers, yo, let's respect ourselves, because you know for a fact say enye Kwame Eugene, you know for a fact enye Kim promise me. Yo, we see cancel bonyom no monsa pe DJ. Sure. But you can't limit to be a juma to sal level and say ombebo no please. Obi aye be amofa ni dimre me. Na mo asoma mo nko. Yeah. What is some for be a DJ. You need to build your own brand. Say what they can promise brand build on hoton one. So I feel like it's about time. When your platform now, my Tom look alike, you know, and we can't home. More starting you sumudin. I'm the tone you like. Excuse me, very irritating. Be my ship, papa say, you know, we are just saying I will still preach say when you some real names, no. Exactly. For a while, mono. I'm more feeling the moye no. It's no more feel someone in limelight area. Please start using your name, Roberts, Quams, whatever, Steve Quams, whatever. Please, and don't attack artists or my bobra. Don't feel like you are in the same space because you're mama platform. Please, you are nowhere near them. Please, okay. Na monya de moye. Most of my sisters are doing TikTok. That's fine. Monya de moye. Bibi anya yo. Why? Na artists no so. We A-list artists in kwale ye amudi agwa also do ho kwajim. Tatia de odi agwa eyi esichire mu an tatia bebre ne ba be fam no. What you say? Me gina hana mapon. Na Reverend Martin Ampoma o magusua adase e de ayeden e de amano. Immediate past chairman Harvesters Evangelist Ministry. Wanu na ye Janet 53 years in active business. Yami adwuma. Me need this Sunday be a guide. I'm the guy is queen at chita for Aiken so jina camera na PRA set edema sound department me chiamo makeups of Florence, Hidden Glue Enra Odi Nawoda, Sandra Sena Akapo, Welbeck, Kofi, and Pedro. Now, Pedro, me point men can we, Ufie Quine wa. Minim how I was sorry I am much about what is the Gon Hills etchi. Saying food tray would do, eh, Kofi and Pedro. What's me, I sit down where chewy. That's nice. Ain't in any, Yamia do my best share if yada. Ushamu Kuma.
Sister Sandy
Boza, Macro.
Well, as I said, I must say, pilot radio in the London, they enjoy too much. My mentor will be able to Badwam on Adom TV, multi TV. Sister Sandy be a guy, Fiaman Quata Macro, Professor E.K. Wallace, Aquasinsi, Obiash, Edikan, Edisa, and Common about Braduni and Pensimo Brain. You better you call we as a Franco Trading Enterprise, and almost a Quanstrom Coso, Salsa Safari Tissue, Rick Choco, and a Zest Consultant. So, yeah, down. It's a special birthday and come a year Regibel Asante da Konsu do our day 19th. 19th, right? Yes, 19th of April. So happy birthday, Oima. Happy birthday, Papa Enko and Famao. And you say Franco Trading Enterprise, Safari Tissue, Richoco, and a Zest Consult. One of your consult, Kuzukra. Yeka Franco Enterprise. Now they make on say Oppo or iPhone or Samsung or Nokia smart TV say free 32 EcoPim 65 inches and actually tabletop fridges and have a Franco air conditioner and also free 1.5 horsepower EcoPim 2.5 horsepower sound system and have a phone who acquire bia obunya biwo a Franco Trading Enterprise. Adia ba kwa say me car on say bia na pese uti Jumadi, I want to do a Franco asi pa number of 0246 422338 and 055 5939 Now what me one I didn't get. How about me I download one app no or Google Play Store and now some on website www.francotrading.com. You can Franco. You know you say phone papa ifi and honum. Zest Consult to go so boa pa ye pa boa one boa ne se ene wodu ani kire Kumasi Cultural Center and as a dichem so Kumasi Airport run about to ho na be hu dwumadi so nko won didi boa won a airtro nso hwe say yes sat GR na won de enya enwuma mu akwan ene de kaka won eno achi se opa futu ni akwankire real estate, automobile, and as IT solution services. Zest, force men cow say, Jumedia only depart, no, if you do it, one no boy, if you any a year and crankra, and a mile who do, and tea for hobo on one more quantity crime. Zest 4 on 055 563 1633 and 050 909 2330. Na what team is Zest Consult for trading guitar. Monday to Friday, one adaruma, one asoya so kwanso nkoso say yemfa aye dwumadi we embro. Na quickly minua Tadie, and is it Tadie? Tadie or Tadie emu bia eko kwaku Tadie. Yeka say die nyame adma weekend obekwa akogya opapa kwan ebusuafo emamo yako. The late Mr. John Tadie, retired Chief Planning Officer, Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly, and no chinsono, Macau so Unyamfi Edwatri, inti Momienko Ja Inia a year Tadie, na Uncle Kata, a yeni papa, a chikwa Kutadie. Tishani, yad no tumpem memenda way the 22nd of April, in front of Panus Yakopim, no watri empire moon. Ewo no ankasa ne fie house number F39 Insan Estate eben Our Ladies School Kumasi na fe enako Boankra Royal Cemetery eho ne ebekwa akosi na ebusuafo atenase na me adma from 1:30 to 6 p.m. ewo Ahinsan Estate Youth Center eben Good Shepherd RC School no yenkotai ebusuafo achina wono nkokata one this year. The late Mr. John Tadie, yen ko kata da chi kama kama o me nhye no so se ne kwasi da so enua kofi tonton so ono so tenase na ono so ne maame efiri mu no ono so na mako eye edunie ono so atenase na afi wakai eye ne maame Madam Ama Kunadu Madam Ama Kunadu inti eye memorial service for eye Madam Ama Kunadu Kofi Tonto maame radiator safran ifie dunie inti aseda na de matwedi ampo so koso kora na ekite nso boko maame free mu ti ye fita ene afesu a ebehye yen hye no so na afi ebe koso okronom abohia ebe Angel Educational Complex anopa no nkono kwasiada asem na making Macedonia Presbyterian Church kronom kwapra ana ofenso kwa no so eho na obehu sa yen Kofitonto muni ebusu se ba beta machi sa so akwakuta de so no onso ye beba beta wo chiama bibia akokama ede amamo wala braso se die enkomo megiri se wa ekado me de me beye ni minute enuma eda manim no me pese oni me di nkita ho de eda wakoma so na afi mpanyfo atenase ya ne sa ye ba back to studio abatimi no wakasa enti 0302 211 701 equity 4 shene so 0302 211 701 equity 4 the man say me ko twa me ho aba me ba na afi minute numa ebeda manim no waje bread akasa na afi ene mpanyfo so edi nkomo ye kwaba. Well, because Adam was set Mugusa Muti and a Moshe Badwam Adom TV Multi TV. So, Bill Mamenka, Franco Trade Enterprise, Safari Tissue, and a Richoco, and a Zest Consult. One I say, or Quantion Kusi and Fawi and from Bremo. Erica Jatanase, and Ebenezer, a year native, so, name for so Atanase. Medamunia said, Mama Kwaba. I promised the 5 minutes, I'll give it to you. Or bring Kwa, the door come out so quickly 0503 0302 211701 equals 4. Oba say do match ya pom ti say me ton ka che bibia ye boko.
Oh me ne afanyi kwabna oba de na do me ho ye pa.
Okay, all right.
Say fu nyina so machi amo.
Ejo mo so.
Ene mo djuma pa mo body aboa. Ma me wish you happy belated birthday.
Me da CP.
I'm not going to do birthday and come in the fancy meal. Wait there. I didn't hear but media for so I had it. I didn't hear who flyers. In fact, na vicha am padune edumako nyina cause Adom TV there.
Yep.
You can't Ghana journalism. Omo ne twa kwan no to ho ma ni amanfo bi no me sua bi ahwese mbetimi ayedia. Na mo de gina mo na so nyame hira mo. Na mentia me regional chairman Mr. Michael Edu adodo na friend Big Edu the juma pa or body abo NDC ene Western North na ofa kwabna ene de kakra me de make an say enche akabe na otwemiensa na NDC yakosimpi so akoto abayi akandifo efrem parliamentary candidates eno na mesre NDC ama ewo Ghana fana nyina ni delegates fa ba ye kwatu Ghana fo ani da NDC so say yenye beba nya be pamo MPP afri so ni atoto ne ma yie etu o ma ye de o mo kono o mo mi enhwem
okay
ni hu o ma Ghana da o makoma so pa NDC da o makoma so na Ghana so da o makoma so ni obi a ebi o person ye ni business bi at least ye ni o mo na tete ye mantam ai nim dodo na su ni enhwe ni fa nyina so to aba no ni nyina so ye nkoto aba no ma John Dramani Mahama sanse ono na ye bi pen a wo experience a obetimi atoto ne ma Ghana ha na anopei akwanya minya yi kakra
me da CP wa sedu Alhaji Mathieu
o mayene
yes Alhaji ti say
ya ko adum yi I feel there o ko makaza na o bensa akwan because of me starting share Adom TV be 20 years na me frame ma me nya ma me no ndi ending komoda
oh wow
Ntina dia me kina me say 100 Ghana credit card me use a me kina so computer me no be kasa ntina dia me ni ajipa se me nya kwan ya me no wa ye den akasa
be dase
o man na asam kakra me so me work we dey e futuo na ene adwetwe me dey ma MPP aman no.
Good.
Ya woni ma bi o Ghana ha ya fa na say ball ade nti ye ni nkoso. Azana saa ade no so sika wo. Azana say say ayo man ya ko hia mo pa ye pesika. Say sika ne se bi da gotem kra ebe yi. Di saa ade na SMP info no edan wo monim ehwe. Because ade no wo ye ni hwi a enye ye biom. Unsa ye wo factories ni companies bi a egugu. They say takwa ha wo ba ye wo glass factory. Yi bonsa ne na asifo. Ya woni ama bi wom a ye fa ni scraps. Scraps no in the company no anya dey abai no be ye ni ye. Ba wo yi team bi let's add the whole Ghana. Be bi a ye woni ma bi say ye nya company to say fabric steelworks na ye pepenyi bi na ye yi sa ne mani na ekoton na ye benya kakakra dia hwe school edida baby a nya school nkwala ti perform yi. Okay. Ma penyi kwa dan wo mani mo ho ni na wo mani ansa na second takwan so ayem. Okay. Takwan so ayem ye o man bi anka wo Ghana ha wo be wura ha. Esa anka wo di visa na ewuram. But because of say amamu born in omusu omu aba na omutunu one way. Nti amam futu obie no abata kwanso ayem ha. Nti yesra aba no wonna na ni mihwe takwanso ayem. Takwanso ayem ayem mobodo. All right.
Yeah, ayem mobodo do. We do aka because say the CP the bash, is it correct? The bash we try to about back to studio. Yes sir.
Ye di ka ye enchiaso kwa me de ma ma hwehwe wo number check. Me show free banda. Oh
wow.
Wallahi ma hwehwe wo number. Ye me kan say ka sa kwanya so na ma chia me regional chama bro nye. Okay. Chama 1. Me chia me pra yi. Ma chia me regional me mama wo me chia ono so. O ma hene. Ye me kan say me say ye penny for no. Omo nku ye institutions no ho. It's institutions need be more to say health. Any VR honor no and also so no because more money corona meet and some ha again and no marketing you know na yen class had any fever. Okay. Now myself as Akwanya so mother president as his excellency. Omahene metra ye kwan efi manje ekobanda metra e dia sende wo ye papa na ba ye kwan ya omoya to banda nim say the whole Ghana has to be ni babia. Na masansira ba ni say free and so called a commanded baby so omona no mbeye no na yenji yedi na oma okay so ekoso no so no me said the national officers and ya select wo mo so abana you gidi say going for 2024 no ma hene kwa bia so bono the best afa yentuma pa efria. All right, me that's
a lot of people one person when you kwanya pam chomo fanche me brain intino me that's make us say in pain for that Honorable Neti, this is your area. I'm sure all my education as suggested solutions it's been part of us, and I know how you've struggled even in Parliament to push some of these matters across. Waking up this morning, over 785 buildings to go down at Chado. It means say be can with their own. It is what's in the you say be can with their own miamia bebre wa. So overcast the child cry, but you need to educate us. I heard the neighbor say, and how do we solve this problem?
Why Mami chia ya hwefo nyina. I mean chia me constituency for Ablek National constituency. I mean chia me nua Bema Eric. Me say in the next 2 years no obey a lawyer. My channel Bobo say, or yellow, I man good chambers. Me say, me Akufado and Pempe and Cool. David, all chambers 3 obeko. Sir,
Macatro, a liter. To liter between a chamber bear. Say, I obeko, former, is it Deputy Attorney General? I say, Dominic Ahini, obeko, when Rawa on Peshe Crown, or the Boko for Chachu, these are the 3 years over.
There are some law firm you are who attachment to her. When you pay few hopper, be on say Wakoye. In me recommend a good one. Pepper and cool. Oh, Nanyamia, Duma, or Umkakrana, Mape, Ebia, High Court Bimanako, because mind it to bench so. Now Obana do assemble, so no better have home with one because every day and I tell you also know what to know.
Judge no.
Oh, obetu nim sese a, obetu ni obetu.
Na judge dey you try atemu dia say dey boy you.
A key person no be say tenyum we. Obaini. Mama mfa akonya we nsunsu na ma wo official pa.
Me da se pa.
Me nya popa se e wo abrabo.
Amen.
Se odi afiba akwa ka wo fi hu. Na enye obi bia nso na wo di wa hoda a wo sofo obetumi a celebrate o. Mefa akonya we nsunsu na ma da Apostle Salasi asipa eno ami hu on status na me say hey papa we nyame nhyraw wo dwumade a wo ye ediboa oman Ghana ene asafo oman ni asasesem wo Ghana hanom no very problematic and sometimes no who can na akwai say obi mu afane personal but a matter of concern o ma make me catch you say apart from galamsey asema ye be kan ho asem the another problem e di enyan e wo Ghana hanom e asasesem i government land i family land i stool land whatever it is a problem and people always take advantage of government in sase ebusia sase any stool land na omuye di omupe on say chado ho eye lafo asase na eye is Katamanto. You see, one of the recognized institutions are omuton sase a me respect omu pa Gbawe Kwate family. Gbawe Kwate family. Gbawe fo no. Omomo asase o Malam, Kokoroko, and the part of Sakama those areas. Because ohonom no so omankasa wo mo secretariat just like East Katamanto. Omo secretariat omo wo no ukoto asase wo ho. Na omo ma o documents. Na o start say o registration. Why o title ewie. Na said o person dey asase no ma Eric. Say Eric po eye wo ba. Ube call her back according consent from the family. And then, before allow that the issue another certificate in the name of your son or your daughter. Until that, no, you won't get the title. Because in their records, no, a woo and omonim, and near Eric and omonim, but omonimo. So when you decided to sell the land to another person, you go back to the same people to take a document. And no one almost ready consent. You are taking their consent to give the land to another person. Yentia omo ground rent my lands commission. My lands commission in G percentage answer the percentage by my family. No, you pay your ground rent at the office. They have their own secretariat. Well prepared the offense way or more office or more nobody omo juma. And now Menuka say Omahini 2 weeks ago I had opportunity to visit some government land myself. And to be honest and sincere with you, I was sad. Very, very sad. I decided because I'm trying to do some paper on how state lands you misusing. Because the reason why the near mama dream to do that is the way a man will complain about so I decided to do a paper on it. So me kono constituency by constituency, wherever I know there's a government land, and I'm writing a paper on it. And in some areas, I'm a koye, and what I saw, in fact, my bemu buye. In as much as you be an ama misika, me and my family, my top fu I go mikamu, I medical rounds, and I have some 2 guys who are assisting me to do it. I give them money myself. But usha mobile. Look at the number of your friends is saying
785.
And Diane Yekwako Bubu, your friend is saying Chado. I don't know where exactly they are going to demolish.
They've talked about it here.
There are some portion of that side, no, a government land. And part of it, no, a la for Nasase. The government land, no, a military land. On say, Chado, no, a started trade fair, no, na besi baby ayaye Major Mahama your friend is saying and the start no e wono ohonum nyina di banwa and even part of sa baby omo friend no airport hills or whatever, you know, is part of your friend is saying, Chado. If it happens to be a government land, the question you need to ask yourself, say, yes, and that is behind the trade fair. Or a trade fair is behind trade fair. So, it might be that they have built on the water bodies.
Yes, on the water bodies.
Correct. Someone say,
wetlands and other water bodies across.
Because just after your friend is saying, La Palm, opposite Honoma, who say there's a new Goy filling station be that side of Honina. And that space, you know, I said Lagos and it's connected to your friend is saying the sea. Many people have built on that stretch. Many
people know much. So
the only option now, ministry, no, that is West and House in connection with lands and forestry. They say you either have to do regularization. So when your regularization, I'm far more. If your mom wants to water bodies, no better be no. You know we have a similar problem where your friend is saying Ramsey site.
But how can regularization? That's all we can say.
That's the point is that say some of the chiefs take advantage and then give the lands out.
I don't know, but
currently, as I'm speaking with you, your friend say Gary Farms. Am I here? Governments have released some portion of the land to Ebushan for there are about 4 families. And everybody is claiming ownership of the land. So say 50,000 acres and I buy Edima Ebushana. Government have decided to divide it into your friend is saying into 4. To your friend is saying the how do you call it? To the families. The way and manner in Kofo ACC down here, I can tell you when we finish, getting access to the place will be a problem.
For instance, this year, TDC, they are holding the Irrigation Development Authority to a because one, you see the assassin man, you see a J. Kojo Ashama Lebanon.
Yeah.
On the Irrigation Development Authority.
Yeah.
For irrigation purposes.
Exactly.
As we speak now, I am fully been any the previous management of this irrigation development authority. As we speak now, some management of this authority, no, with chiefs, act on over 900 acres, no, for private development. Why? How does it happen?
Omaini, that's why I can't say most of our institutions, no, are not up in doing.
But in this case,
I mean, it's not
TDC and for the confirm irrigation development authority, irrigation
it is not only even at Ashama irrigation, no, Kobotian or Honum side, English amount flow.
Now what the mass powers, you know?
And I catch will say when I buy a release part of the land, because most of the chiefs now are omoniabre. Because I say irrigation, I see irrigation. I say your friend is saying, now we are not doing it. And some of this land was acquired from Nkrumah time. Say now we have stopped. So the land is there. Exactly. Say farming. Now the farming is not in operation any longer. So, that is their cause to say. So, if Udi Asasi Maya are buying Uko Lands Commission, say, all those projects, no, all those lands, no, are in the name of government, acquired maybe in this year for purpose of irrigation. So, there is no way you can register that land.
But how are we selling it?
So the chiefs are taking advantage of it. And this one, I can say it without any way provocation. Because for the interests of the country. Both, and I'll not add your friends and other CPP. It's both NDC and MPP. No care about.
We are the problem.
Because at the moment, Sebi, Eric Ako who say as I say Na yaba sesiana Eric will run to me. Because I'm in government. I'll go and talk to whoever is in charge. Then we'll leave Eric. Say vice versa. So that's how come we because look, so be koto na me call baby a. Yes, as I see be that me see me koshe. Me call I realize it is government land. Do you know what the person told me? I said, honorable, with them Israel. We oba hapa, obe man kofo obi aba. I'm saying, oh, someone na we am penning for no. So when they see 2 or 3 politicians building, then the council build. They can build. Go to Ramsia. You see both previous, current, whatever building. Obiawo. But if you have a former speaker of parliament, as I see, your friend is saying, Ramsia said, won't you encourage you to go and build there? Say encourage you. So you can go see you. Who call former minister be and I say current minister be I sit down with your friends Ramsia side and encourage you also bet me I see you. That's the problem that we are facing. So if we are not taking bold steps, we will continue to be having such problems all the time. Mikai, the Roxanne Dafiamoko, MP for Adakuru, or so whatever. Nifi Omuhono Oyari for Echi Hono Bibote. The minister panel, Ekoye demolish a book of 4 dying in Ibeguye. What was the end result of it? And now America say, go back to the same place and you still building going on. And those that have legitimate documents, Omasa see they're not into Kwaba. Now your friend is saying, a court, and it will be there and we'll be dealing with it day in and day out, and we won't get the end result of it. Oh gosh. So for me, I think say there should be a proper regularization of our lands. Until we do that and we wash our hands from it as politicians, I can honestly tell you, we will continue to be having this problem. All right. Omaini, I can tell you before honesty, this 700 and something 85. 85. Isiaga. Would you call you can make my mouth so you can even get about 40% of the people who are politicians. Eric. Apart from say you man on o kwan nye papa no. Asase won say me no dey see free boroni afro dey. E dey give be say. O ba man say o baby o. Yeah. Yeah. And now go to Asanchi with DNC. Yeah, half was na o Chelsea baza. Yeah, o my morning. Morning. In Japan. I feel come to Aminia. I know na what that. Yes. Abo breo. Na. No, tell say how did you catch me? Hey. Is it the win ni pa? When I'm saying the old na wa. No, obi o say o my ni teacher na me say obi me say obi say hey. Obi mu yin na oni ma. Hey, obi na see na me see mu na check. Na tell na obi tell my ni ka say o cho ele bonus. Na mo Jesus one o say hey, nka call me ni bo me ni ya dan for say we yin sa. Omo na mo wa bo bra che papa. Nti na ni abro papa. Na busa for inmates. I want that part. My Obia when you seem to Abra. Yeah. But I think you're a good side, no. Nipa be brain. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Mine on the issue of Yensa system. I didn't say mo sana me dem. Yes, I didn't say. Because and as a course now called land division. Cases say go if you had almost 50 years. It be the 60 years. Just say I want to say and in an so no cry nipa back on your day and can't hear. Because a tick room had be about some when be fast to see baby. But and then no Sabi a Christopher ni Muslim for there, but nipa showing me. Adia, I was in Nipetimi share, no crana or cano, to do 90 million. Na yet Nananum, I was studio movie. Your politicians and also no, you was studio. And I'll call your various assemblies never honor, or no more, or no more soon your politicians are. Will be enemies or more, they are buying back or buying banner. They will be there to work for the nation. Still, some of us are partly involved in those in Yamana Kosono. And there was also be a tune in the Wanamo. And then, no, because some of young Kron Ketuamuno. As I said, about Timiton, the Manipa 5. And so, the community, no. Nipa Okrum or 2000.
but we beat me the crata basasa in India. We beat me the crata basasa in India. That is one thing I'm at Ashanti region and the one monster system here. No, yeah, no, because it is very difficult, say, Ashanti region. Near me, I said, be a cocos with greater craft balance as system beat me a call. You will see a share Mrano near such a more quite bit me a boy my peri abane because in Greater Accra and such a same qua. O mine in the honorable Beneza Kano. And no credit, 780 something. Why dine a Ukubu? And the child do me top plot of land, bear $100,000. It's nipa na we $100,000. The dear trap as I say, man, child. Put him so what you are no better man. That is it. And why more? Any chance in a man for those are the people that was a minister be so much yakwan. No more the local so much yana. Because yeah, ma will be perpetrating crime in at the end of the day, you know. Then you come back telling us, say, me my question in Suezi, Dynasty in Suquam, baby and Sutra and Kefa. But you on call for Ramon Moquan because I don't think that come and bet me if you multimedia say, oh, Koya Kusida and I could trust us. You can't do it that way. Into your more say chida. Omone make sure so Sunday man question. Omonanke was here chimbi once and serve as deterrent, the madness. But they are not punishing anybody. And this senior official, as I saw some way, I can't try and Kusiaga. Or Channel community 5 weeks cram that is how the thing is. Yeah, man, Casasana already. But Ben Pesam Chen say, Crum high tea in him. Or mine and Chibia some few months ago. Yachimota Forest as some. Yes, I could see. Akoda. Sajo. See, I can read. And penning for an Chemfi. Obi. No, me really could see more. And that is the issue. Powers and the war. Yet the brofone about your periphery. Ye pay a real and the time I need young brofone meaning, ye heard the children and no much. But once all cancer, the who can abandon Sassia. And no, I make them. And yet I can't call Chrome Sunyani. State lands offer assembly on. Yes, RCC. Bush school, ye travel in Atom. Mopati MPP Kramusi regional officer. Abana assassin. I come here, your my answer. Mr. Kusunyani is here, state lands. Ye treated in us of piece. Mopati officer Musinimo. Bakona Musino. What am I say? So it is everywhere. It is a better as say, yeah. The government be America or mine, I team and penning for now. Needs to so near can future leaders almost a year. Because almost or more say you are not the future leaders. You shouldn't buy with you. Nobody. Yeah. Inti Achimota Forest, you can ya traso. Ramsey site, they said the enemy new can. Ya can ya traso. Ah, nene, I buy more penny pa, the Nifam one who's a government lands be there. No call lands commission. No acquire search about it. When you who say what the hope, they betching a senator. That is what is happening. Inti and as a cantonment now, but when assassin, I bind there. She nipa the assassin a mama. Say no one can say ni dimu na wa trisi na ko nipa o use. We ye ntimi ntana of it. Ye be kan na ye be jai. But ye na wo se ye tena se dwin hu se ye oman a ye di je nchirima. Nti ya ye nye opportunity na na afom oman na japade nyina no. Ye dwene se da ache so nkofo foforo be ba hu be hia so mo so be ye bibia na. On say o kan sense asene bi wo ha aban procure for specific purpose. Emra na sanity. Se bia abanya beje abusua asase se opese odiye bibiwe se mre ne so na ye bi aban ne tenase ya na adekode na we interest e was asase no so se untimi nya it may reverse back to the ownership what you say but this strategies is here mahu se e kwaso wo ye nyuma mu ne se wo wa te se de menu e kan ye se asase na abusua be 4 e ko ho nti aban panimfo ne omo hia ye be 50 acres bi di amom 50 acres na ye amom ne yetimi yi ne be 70 acres na akoye sento so okura guso aban mu panimfo na ne family 20 acres omafa that is what they do Achimota Forest say listen ne babontin ye hu di etuemu a hona nka obehu kuruma akoye say papa amobra da bia kombede but it shouldn't be that way inti nananom ye besere mu
baby a do no. Let's think of the future. Government top officials and then so now more say in the system no. Mo man enkoye say oba aban mu na wanya hu say tamo because come for help. O mra na ye nyanya wo so afo no. No be any life or live. But all of a sudden o mansion dey sin kranya de ketwa. Okru ma motoke ne de okọ. Man ka say me bo akuti o. But one thing you want to know say you were one time like those people and we share omo no. So if usunu oban na oda na di ne beboa ama oman na tumpon a over to you.
Okay, ma me nye ayiwe. Ade we minim say me kwa na mati we say teacher for no any finance minister should be.
Want ayi say Didi you know I'm so munya part 2 krom besin ayo. What? Ayo.
Oh, me nya we ba me say ayi minim say that you know.
On my own. We no problem.
And then the one now be prescribe. What's the one about when they want to prescribe the problem. So you know the this go me we say a teacher for no work because you are poor no as I said to I am pia ko finance
pension for na start case. O my one say somewhere February and I work in the Foriata de Crata Biba Bontin say Didi no more any domestic no. They we pay you. Oma cover I think 85%. Nti eno no na ye die hia omo a ombetimi ayama yetiesi abonten akudi djuma with IMF. Na after that na was external no so no the Eurobond market the Paris club ni de keka ho no so mo no muhia ni ehu kwan ya be fa so ayem. Nti na enye wan say mo de achewpa ne nam Kamala Harris mo nka bi ma mo German ambassador mo achewpa ni nyina akoso. But say utie they raise this conversation back. Na no ada ke no Foriata eko spring meeting or IMF. I think he delivered a speech on the 14th. Na utie ne nkasa yemu na or say Didi na ye no. The first part of it ni yetinye very successful. Almighty asama okano. The first part was very successful. So now question about and say so when are you doing the second part? Oka kire say oh ba be second part na. What am I say? And about Bonton say the trustees of the pension fund say on the 7th of April. Sorry, what's the name of this month? April, right?
Yeah.
On the 7th of April, no. Yeah, the craft aqua trustees and they say can Foriata through the ministry person engage you more on this debt restructuring corner. What would the amount de naban? So the question is, ubi any say pensioners near the idea say omo de omo nka ho. Many OTSCA, ye nim nipa ochena ombeda so your moko pension. And this afi we nkosi na we nim nipa ombeko pension. So now, if say ultimately the letter no on the 7th, ekoma trustees. Then on the 14th now could deliver a speech. On the 9th, 16th for sign. Then you came back quickly saying say there's not going to be any second phase of DD domestically. And now no panami follow Professor Gachi. Or can be was it I'm too inconsistent because statement now yes because statement now de come on the 7th no what kind of statement we are clearly no is as you said they are buying and so on.
But inconsistency will not help us to plan.
That is it. And that is their problem because abaya IMF won ko hoda akwadwofo ne ko ho ene baby akwadwofo ne akwadwofo ko ho they are chelpa ne ko mewa in the history of our country. Omanda ben what is a Ghana akwa IMF. Yes, America for nka bi mai. Germany for nka bi. What be that? But then baby failures ho easily no. You are struggling to get there with your failure. That is the government of the day because of how worse the economy is doing today. So honestly speaking, pension bond holders no, they are not comfortable now. And can Foriata and you be able to trust in even a second of your blood. A second of your time. You on the case inquiry. On one account there will be no haircut. On one account a pension for nka your one the room tension by and your chum free. So and some now more canon. That is it because then the international marketer. Or my own speculation will impact by the international market. But whereby investors, citizenry, any trust in the financial sector of the economy, automatically be a negative impact on the economy. And then, so the debt profile I can once in central for na mo de manu to ne party communicators yes mo me hu di twem because untimi nka say o kotena se ekotume ka hyeda wa bra o ma me hu di esi wani so man the question is you be asking yourself always when me nua penny ni na nati nti Ghana kana motutu ahyeda no ba fese ben ene edi tua ne da motu ahyeda utie
shebe na mo di agu akwan
yes ba fese ben foto ben no abo a mo di sika to mu se sa 2028 da kɔ na bi esimesi o si tua ne sika nyina ma no ha ne ekofa sika de tua
na de ye ho no kra de di apart from
eno na meka no aban bi aba ye di obi creative stabilization fund o Jessica wo Ghana infrastructure fund so all those funds na you create mo di sika wo mu nyina get fund ye mfa 60% nkwaje besia esla energy sector levy ye mfa nkwaje besia ni creative special purpose vehicle yes your friend and that
road fund at 3,000
that is it ni afresh ni so mo de enkokrafo am na do 80 years osafo ma for 2 for 81 years mo die ne sika dachi sika nyina mo di na advance
now 79 for the
79 o de ma me hitting 80
for the record hey we lawyer na we go hit 80
it's 79 mo die ne sika nyina o man dachi sika no so mo di in advance. I'm telling you the gospel truth. Say when 2024, bra ebe bre okruma no. Me I won't lie that. Ye be bre papa.
Say NDC win here.
Ye win here. Ye be bre papa.
Momo win here.
But the difference where you mu any omo for now is upon say Ghana economy no e sham na mu no. Say ye win power pe. Even the international market nim say leadership the confidence. You know. The confidence but now can say can for reata ne Bawumia. Reputation international marketer. Who is Bawumia? Yeah, the fundamentals.
Okay. So
that is them. So what we are saying is
so at all costs the NDC should win.
We have to win. We have to win upon say.
Hey, all costs no go no more show.
Oh, omo no say
with a fair cost with a baby. All costs.
Omo say oh ne bone. On say man ya where you Japan dey be o kan dey pay. Omo at all costs we have to win because baby a year do no. And omo obi a ye fia konwa so na your debt to GDP na 56%. And then what the daachene eslani ade adebomo na be 103%. Inti baby a na ye wo 53% and ye see economy ni. Na do danko akufo ado se na ni so ade hunu ni se by 2028 e wo see ya debt to GDP of 58%. Na wan na dwin ko na chi.
Okay, so all net bread.
Mama me ba usi so a na no wudi wa finhia na ye bo abaso kira de o Peters ne de keka ho. O mo branko wani. But ye nyankokrafo wa ban mu a ye dwene se by this year na wo say yetimi dwene ko ye chi. Why?
All net.
Ana na motisa.
Amane.
Oye.
Obisa mi wo u kan san ye sha si o.
Anti nko for no suppose no mama.
Where? Honorability. So, omo break here no more not to baby.
I want fa.
O mai ni.
O say.
I want fa break away.
So we will break it at all cost.
Hey, and no dear. Me no my carry pa.
O mai ni. I think say with the situation in which we find ourselves as a country. And yet obi na be ka che say you ahunye him. And it's a fact. On several occasions, on my penny, I had the opportunity to talk to Ghanaians. On Ghana for the situation in which we find ourselves. President Echo Parliament, Echo Man the State of the Nation address. Oche ni kasenmu in 3 phases. 1, oche ye bibia na ye wo, bibia ye bedu, ene bibia ye den ye ko. Omaye hu se bibia na ye wo kane no na se bia hu etoye because na nyama ye di ato akwam nyina no were able to do it and Ghanaians appreciate the good work that the president and his team was doing. Bibia ye ba be den ye ba bedu the situation we find ourselves as a country where unfortunate things happen not only to Ghana but the entire world.
Exactly, COVID, Ukraine, Russia.
There's no country in this world, even as I'm speaking with you today.
Anyway,
Ghana any supply Russia mobile.
But you cannot take away the impact of Russia and Ukraine to
most of the countries yenimi say omugina omna so krapo no omunyina kwa hihim. Ghana is not exceptional. So we also went through difficult times. Even mechanisms that we put in place during the COVID time, countries that said be omako minim amfasa mechanisms no am putting in place. But we were able to put certain mechanisms in place Edi ahun here den ebema Ghana for. The third leg no also be den yedu. So from where we started, where we are and where we are going no, and he said despite all these challenges no, these are the mechanisms we have put in place to ensure say our economy will come back to track. Yes, the finance minister and his deputy can say call IMF view. Because at that time no, the situation in which we find ourselves and the way I do no, going back to IMF no, MY. But when the unfortunate thing happened, we have no choice than to go back to IMF. And that's exactly what we are doing now. Omaini, I have heard the Ministry of Finance coming out to the statement and say they are not going to have any offense and second domestic wabia with and then also touch the pension fund.
Do Ghanaians trust them? That is the statement.
No, once there's a release from the ministry. No, once there's a release from the ministry, Momoko contrary answer. Sebi.
Exactly.
BSc paint usuru. Abuasirwa dey na way no.
The ministry has come out with a statement.
Yes.
Say pension fund there so mu la lie. It is up to me and you to let the ministry prove us wrong or right. Say ampa say ye be the sabeka and I say fire side enka. That's the point. Okay. But for so far as I'm concerned for now, I have not heard the ministry saying that second domestic restructuring and therefore the targets no say for pension for sika and I need pension for call your friend is saying shadow payment. So do bika. Now utia ne kabusumi bia and I make catch us say no say every month me tia 2 cedi. Me to me tia monthly no. Say mommy 3 months and now mommy 4 months and I'll be paying you. So 4 months now a woman intervals no. I'll be doing a lot of things to get the money to pay you back.
Say moye mama 4 months no so no. Odipa na ode o kan o be sere na o man 4 months no. No trophy any corn beef. I don't know this guy. Well, how can you that's the danger. That's why I at a point the former chief justice, is that correct?
Yeah.
Asema okan ba ko pena na me ne ya adwin nya de na bia modo so o say de be ye friend say mo ba kire be bia free de ntia ya be duru anum say ye ko enim no Eric so kan ba fa na e wo no how de na mo de yesa e ba fa na mai because it's like the American bia no who so we come with this idea. That's the problem.
Omaini, there's no way udi obika
Yasaba, lots of your text messages are a brilliant in kind of number, but my main kind was say in Koma principle, but Monday to Friday, Franco Trading Enterprise Father and a safari tissue, papa, and a Richoko, and a Zest Consult. Franco for the baby that me catch us their phone honing a quabia and brown nature Franco Trading Enterprise now when you be at once hour a year air conditions from 1.5 horsepower to 2.5 horsepower now on our sound systems and the kaka hunina. So for Franco 4 on 0246 422338 and 055 5939311 or even one of the Yankita. If not for Belizaneti one say sounds like Eric J and so a while come I didn't know Ghana come I also utie ya da wasi piece of segment. Yeah, quickly.
Once the one who see no. Was saying someone walking ya ni sune ban. Yeah. We be our country fear obi ni ma de trophy na Krokro. Yeah, chairman I for for we the trophy deep pan.
Hey, did buy it? I'm only say bread with
It's your own so
how would you react to this? Business people smile all the time under an NDC government. John Mahama Neka say.
Oh, Amaini. What do you expect from John Mahama?
He's speaking the reality.
Mikacha Obi said, look, and Nana Mikacha Obi. Ushe Mahama campaign all year to become the flag bearer of the party, which is obvious.
Yeah.
The NDC have no choice.
He is the flag bearer.
Yes, they have no choice.
They have a choice.
They don't have a choice. They don't have a choice.
Omo choice just say only put to a John Mahama. But Omo decides on Mama John.
One of the water regional chairman can actually do for no.
What's he saying?
Also said do 4% be the president. On Conco we need seat e Ashanti region san o aba be ye friend say. Abokojo bonso so fi Ashanti region. Ntosi kojo bonso de onko pe assemblyman electoral area be nonko wini answer obe because your one has been assembly. In fact, Mama started for unit committee. No be assemblyman, no be MP, no be deputy minister, no be minister, no be a friend saying running mate, no be vice president, no be a president.
Wow.
Into no 5 million, so they should go and start from there. So he looked at the situation in which we find ourselves. And let me give you one example. 2021, when media started to air about S-Gas Shahwasem, then he take note of it. Then when he had opportunity, then he said, I'll scrap. Because Wahunse Ghanaians are talking about it. But he himself, listen to his messages. He has not come out with any concrete message or no full say when he become the president again, which he has been there before.
But the party collectively will take Omoya People's Manifesto, not John Mahama Manifesto. Don't forget that has been the position of the NDC. People's Manifesto.
When did the NDC realize that Omoya People's Manifesto? The last election, nobody buys Omoya People's Manifesto. Their previous election, they come out with manifesto. In fact, could you Kai President your friends Rollins, may he so rest in peace. Then or the manifesto was straight through. So there's never been your friend is saying how do you call it, a people manifesto. But they realized that in 2016, the MPP came out with a concrete and convincing manifesto for this country. So let us also come out with something, say, oh, we are doing a people's manifesto. And therefore, no matter friend for your friends fit for and no matter betanse, you be boot or not. No matter friend you for you be we. That was the message on the manifesto. No. The issue of say business people were smiling during his term. Are we not in this country? That the same business people joined President Mahama Melso could not even have light even to do their businesses. Are we not in this country that the same John Mahama time, not even when students are even going to school, they top paying to Kabe school? Are we not in the same country when John Mahama was the vice president became president? The same business people were complaining today. So what has changed? Ono kase join his term, you know. Now it the four day esre. This is an insult to the business people, to be honest with you.
I see.
This is an insult to them. Because you know I'm coming from a business constituency. During President Mahama time, I had a lot of engagement with Abosokan people. But the situation even when they find themselves. So if you come and tell them, say, who merso no mosre.
Eric, wrap up here.
Honorable
Eric.
I can't for I can't say inyam akun bi what you say.
Eden?
Inyam. My
Dabi. A man who contacts a watcher.
Okay.
Now I'm trying to figure out what I say. So we say a second one. Obi can say inyam akun who just say
when you or how should I put it in there like
what trend you? That's what variable.
That is it. And no. And over catch me. I was so kind for Canena, yes, in your Mayana, the baby I yet. Oh, no, my ship is unique. Very good. Into Canena MPP bar by my attempts to cut the mammo. And in your Mokuomos, can they come out and be demonstrating against you? Because they are part of the problem.
So they are part of the problem.
Contributory factor, yes. They contribute.
They come on, campaign.
Inti you are part of the mess. Abeso can spare part the last election ni Nkrumah and Sana Nana Doba in 2016. Mama Muska.
No.
Don't go there.
No.
So they contribute.
That thing is not true. It has never been true. In as much say, Obia ni say, Abeso can spare parts. Majority of them are MPP. They don't need some commands.
There be no mums can say. No,
if individual commands are there individuals who support me? There are individuals in Abeso who can support me. There are individuals who can go and support Anado. And their business, our business, but they support both parties.
All right. So, Eric.
It is a mena na omo kasa de sanko for na pesika de kosomas. To say the omo opposition, omo unemployment association, no more yi back we the president. Nti de bi obeti no work am nipa nya adwuma nya but unemployment grew by 13.4%. Obi pencil 8.something% na ya tiku. And 13% tiku. Those are the caliber of people we are dealing with. And now I know what I say. You are passing 3 new taxes. 1, the SI duty amendment bill. 2, the growth and sustainability levy bill. 3, the income tax amendment bill. On my way in the country, you say you promote after Africa Continental Free Trade, right? Yeah, headquarters in Pugana Hane. On my way in the country, as at now I know what I say. Okofa World Bank report of doing business. Na yeda 118 or so. And you're attractive. You're the country. Yeah, just after the cost of production in our country is very high. Whereby I was certain vice president or promise you say you be moving the economy from taxation to production-based economy. Within your 7 years in office, what the tax is over 18 and above. And now I know what I say. O my say okutia light bill and water bill now share taxes e guso. Me de me hu ana me bo te kra COVID levy. Che say yare na e ba ye no connection man for mu didi yare ho. Why? And you are here telling me say doing business today in Ghana is far better than doing business under President Mahama. Me krom suma hin kro jata cement 42 point something or more than 102 Ghana cedis. In 2016, a bag of cement was 27 Ghana cedis. Unimyam. What here? Can't you kwadana or P5 ni P6 and he say, what are there 27 cedis and nebo denture 104? Is that what you're telling them?
O calculating the sales as well to be.
Now cover and say what the percentage? Yet you go supermarket. What are their percentage? What are you telling me, Omar? Maybe man see for. Now can they see about?
Yes.
Some 7 years ago.
Now my tank is 700.
And now what tank is saying?
1,820.
And teacher say, "Well, no, sebi. Why doing your argument? Ni account there will say 1,008. You know, better than 700. Anyone is in a classroom. Yeah, that was it. Yeah, the best I say, I be at the bench now. The chair, best I. Come on,
comedy.
Come on, yeah.
Eric,
my comedy.